we doing? How we doing? Good morning, good morning. If you're in here, hope you're having a good morning. Don't be rude, say it back. See who's in the chat today. See what we got going on. Time to go into Superman mode. Get organized a little bit. How y'all feeling? Good morning, everyone. What we got here? Good morning, Scott. What up, what up? Good morning, George. George, good to see you, brother. Bright and early, my man. Good morning, Cree is me. Tune, good morning, Moozamil. What's going on? 500 left to pass the challenge and 10 hours left. Oh, plenty of time. Plenty of time. Yo. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Green. What up, everybody? Good morning, Joe. What's up, brother? Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Everybody good? Another beautiful day ahead of us here, huh? All right, let's share the screen here. Boom. The birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day. Let me just get the Zoom link out and we'll be good to go. 1 hour close, don't worry about it, nothing going on. Looks like we got our range 2 here, but no bottom wick. No bottom wick. Alright. So yeah, what up, chat? Everybody doing good? How you doing? Doing great? Oh, doing great. Awesome. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Had a lot of talk going on here, man. Did you guys catch anything in London session? So, oh, Nico, bright and early. All right. So let's take a look. So these are the morning, Nico.
Morning, brother. It's go time.
It's go time. It's go time. Love it, love it.
Actions,
good to see you bright. Good to see you bright and early, bro.
Yes, sir. It's
love
time, brother.
Hey,
time to eat.
Time to eat, baby. Time to eat. All right, so let's get this breakdown going here. Did I share Zoom? Yes, share Zoom. Nico's here. Okay, cool. So, yeah, these are my markups, right, from last night. And looks like we did get our range 2 here. So you got your range 2. I was interested in taking this buy here, but we had no bottom wick, right? So no bottom wick, no entry. But price did come up, tap target. So W analysis there. I don't know if anybody else took that. I would have been in that, but again, no bottom wick on that candle equals no entry, right? Good morning, Austin. What's up, bro? Good to see everybody here early in the morning today, right? This is when the juice gets spilled, man. This is when the good stuff happens. So, all right, cool. So let's remove all drawings here, and let's just understand here, chat, that it's just another day, right? Another day on the charts, another day here in the markets. we have one focus and one focus only, and that is to honor our trading plan, because our trading plan honors us, right? When we follow our plan, we win 80 to 90% of the time, right? So why would we go against it, right? Why would we not be loyal to that trading plan? I told the guys in the Discord, guard it with your life, man. It's that serious, right? Guard that thing with your life. And we're going to be disciplined today, right? It's just another day in the markets. We took a big win yesterday. We took a big win the day before, and Monday, or one day was break even, I forget. But it's what we do, right? Get used to it. Get used to winning. You shouldn't be surprised that you're winning in life, right? You're putting in the work. You're putting in the time. You're putting in the dedication. You're doing all the things that winners do. So don't let winning surprise you. Don't let winning shock you, right? This is what we do here, right? We are very good at what we do, and what we do is we win. We love to win, right? So you guys don't get too up, when you start winning pretty big. Don't get too low on losses. Just stay streamlined, right? So let's be disciplined to that today. And let's take a look here at gold, right? So we got gold weekly time frame. So taking a look at this weekly, right? We are up here in the clouds at this point, right? You have a weekly weekly time frame. These are basically the highs right here. So we're up there, right? We're pretty up there now. One thing we could say is that we had a closure. Right above this zone here. You guys see this zone right here, this resistance. So this candle closed above that resistance. There's clean traffic to the left hand side. The issue is we ran into some sort of resistance, right? We pushed all the way up. This candle closed above. Next candle did a beautiful job, right? Did its job perfectly. It came down, created a bottom wick, went up, filled this wick, broke the highs, and then ran into some rejection right here, same as we did last time, right? So this candle ended up closing bearish. Next one, we expected to go bearish as well to retest this support. Well, it made a nice top wick. Candle flipped, filled this wick, and retested the support level here, right? So at this point, it's done what it needed to do. Now the question is, by tomorrow, do we close bearish, or do we end up closing back in the range, right? Because right now, this is the question here. Do we close below, or do we stay above this resistance, right? Will this weekly candle close below? Look at something like this. Below here, for the next candle to come down, retest support, retest those wicks down there, and continue south? Or do we close above this level here? That's really our question here, because remember, just like any time frame, as long as the candles remain above this resistance to the left hand side, or this resistance right here, right, then price is still good to push up here, right? You have this resistance, you have this one as well. If we do close above, you could just say price did something like this, right, to continue up. So that is the weekly time frame. We got to keep an eye on that. We got to understand where we're at with candles on the lower time frames. But as of right now, currently we are bearish based off of the weekly, right? We're seeing this pullback, but we are at a resistance. Price, overall at the end of the day here is bearish. So let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? Daily time frame is bearish as well. My main concern, my main thing I was watching yesterday on the daily time frame was, are we going to close below the support? So after we got off the stream, I didn't sit on my charts all day. I wasn't waiting for the buys, or I wasn't waiting for the sells. I just got off the stream, right? I got off the stream, got off the charts, and went about my day. What I did was I deleted all my zones, and I just kept a white line right here. And I wanted to see if this previous daily candle, which was yesterday's candle, I wanted to see if we would close below this support. Because if we close below this support, there was a very high chance that the next candle could make a top wick like it's doing and then break the lows to come down and fill this wick to the left hand side and retest this support level. But we never closed below, right? We never closed below with this candle. This is ideally what I wanted to see. A closure below, look at something like this. Then we could have been much more confident in this current candle, right? And that we would continue bearish to fill the wick. But that never happened, right? So now we don't know if this candle today is still gonna fill this wick after creating a top wick, or if we're just going to mess around now and consolidate on the daily time frame, right? That's what we have to identify here today, because we may just start consolidating here on the daily time frame above this resistance. So remember, we're coming up into all-time highs, right? Price, look at price breaking up, coming down to retest, breaking up, coming down to retest. And now you're starting to see, you know, very, very small candles not able to really break below the support. You know, well, this support here, but also that weekly support, right? This area here. So a lot of daily candles now stuttering a little bit, right? They're not really getting anywhere. So that's the question, right? We have to kind of keep an eye on that as well, is what's this daily candle going to do? So in order for us to figure out how we're going to take positions here today, we're going to have to scale down to the lower time frame, right? So looks like you had a support here on the 4 hour. You're looking at a new support right here. And then we could say we have a resistance right, well, we could say we have a resistance right here, but there's another very strong resistance right to the left hand side. So we're just gonna put it there, okay? So let's scale down. Basically you're consolidating right now. You have you know, not much happened over the last 8 hours or so, just consolidation. So I'm not sure if you guys caught any trades in Asian or London, but let's take a look here. So this is what I was looking at, right? So you have a support right here. You had a resistance right here. Sells were good below here because I believe that was going to be breaking the daily lows, right? Those were good. And then I was looking for range 2 buys above here. It looks like we were able to get the range 2. The only issue with this range 2 is that this candle, which would have been our trading candle, had no bottom wick, right? So nothing we could do about that. If it drives, it drives. Came up, it tapped target, right? This was the area in which I was looking for price to come into, and it looks like we were able to wick up in that area, and you know, we closed bullish. But again, we're against the daily trend. We're also no bottom wick on this candle. So we're just gonna have to draw another resistance right here at this point. Right here. So yeah, we got the range 2 that we needed, right? So the setup was there, but the entry wasn't, right? Just no bottom wick here. There's nothing, any of you that trade our system, there's nothing you can do about that. So if you missed this move, you didn't really miss the move, right? Because it wasn't our move, because our move needs a bottom wick, right? So if that candle didn't have a bottom wick, then you don't miss the move, because that's not our move, right? That's somebody else's move, somebody else's pips, not yours to worry about. So cool, so let's do this. So let's mark these charts off here. So basically we got sells below this support here. If we can get a close below this support after creating a daily top wick, all right, let's see, get a close below, then we'll look to take our sells coming down. You got clean traffic to the left hand side for price to push down pretty nice to fill that wick, right? That's the wick. that we're looking at on the daily time frame, this clean traffic is just a wick fill on the higher time frame. That's all it is, right? Down to 1970 here today. So let's see how everything plays out, right? Let's see if we're gonna reject this zone up here and start to head down. Let's see where the daily highs are. Daily highs are up here, so you know, we're still bearish. Still overall bearish on the day. These are the daily highs. As long as this high right here doesn't break that high, then at any point this candle could flip bearish, break the lows, and continue down to fill this wick. Also retesting this support level here today. All right, so that's what we'll be looking for. In terms of buys, here, I mean, if we break this daily high, right, let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Buys, I mean, they're not even that clean, to be honest. This is the cleanest range you have for buys, right? There's no questioning that. If we take buys above here, you got resistance. This looks like a staircase here, full of resistance, right? So, yeah, I think we're gonna start rejecting this area though, for price action to move on the daily, for the daily time frame to get going, right? For the daily time frame to start pushing down. So we're starting to break these lows. This is a pretty heavy area of consolidation, choppiness, right? That's why I wouldn't want to take buys. So the buys were clean, but they were for this candle right here. But again, no bottom wick, so not our trade. So yeah, so that's gonna do it here for gold. So what we're gonna do is we'll look to take buys above here if we get a closure. Not feeling any of that area right there. We'll stay out of, let's just, we'll stay out of all this area here, man. This is pretty choppy at this point. You can take sells going back down. Shouldn't be an issue. You have a top wick, you're breaking the lows, not a bad position here. But I think I'll probably wait, just because we're very, very bullish right now on the 4 hour, very bullish on the 1 hour, very bullish, yeah, on those two time frames. So let's get the 1 hour speaking the same language as well. Speaking the same language as the 30-minute and the 15, and then we can consider possibly taking positions here. So boom, but the cleanest sells we have are the break of the daily lows, which are down here. So we'll take a look at down here as well, if and when we get there. I think we may be able to look for sells below there as well. So we'll mark both of these sells below. And yeah, you got clean traffic coming on down here. This is the best support, right? This support right here, it's a pretty good 4 hour support, right? It's below it, it's breaking those wicks. It's the 1 hour support. It's also the 30-minute support, right? And I believe it's the 15. Yeah. So this is your best, cleanest bet in terms of waiting for sells today. We break below this area here, we may run into a little bit of choppiness. We break below here, there's a lot of chop through here. So probably end up letting that go. Depends, right? We all know that price pushes through consolidation and fills wicks during when? During volume time, right? During volume time. So depending on when we get a close, we may look to take positions here, but best position for sells are going to be below 1990, 840 here. All right, so this white line means nothing. We're just keeping an eye here on that resistance. and buys will be pretty clean above here. So that's gonna be the day. That's the day. Daily target would be this wick fill. So that would line up perfect with this clean traffic. Cool. And then if you do get buys today, and we do decide to break out and do some freak of nature stuff, because gold can do that from time to time, then, you know, target's up here. 2034. 2034. So that's going to be the day here, ladies and gents. I'm gonna stay out of these ranges for the most part here today. This is going to be a no trade range here for me. But anything below there, breaking the daily lows, and below here to fill this clean traffic here to the left hand side, these are going to be positions I'm going to be open to today, and anything above here as well. So there's plenty of range today. Stay patient. Don't get caught in this BS. Don't listen to me right now and nod your head in agreement and then just take some random ass trade right here or right here or right here today. Don't do it, man. You've done that over and over way too many times, right? It's time to get over it. It's time to, you know, start making the best decisions for your trading and for your trading career, right? Because this is a career, man. We're not playing dice here.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Johnny boy.
Good morning, brother.
We're not
Good
shooting
morning,
dice. Johnny boy's in the house. So yeah, so you can take a picture of that if you like, and just tell yourself, hey, I'm gonna stick to it today. You know, yesterday we gave plenty of examples where, you know, we weren't going to take positions, where it looked good to take positions, and what happened? Those positions would have gotten activated. I think all week we probably called out like 4 or 5 or 6 different fake outs, different moves that, you know, we just predicted them, right? We just predicted them off of experience in the market. So, you know, trust us, man. We're good at what we do. This is what we do, and we're the best. We're very good at what we do here. So for those new tuning in, this is a class, man. We got guys taking full-blown pages of notes every day here. So those guys, they're gonna make it big because they're serious. They're note takers, right? Winners are note takers. Winners are front row seaters, right? They're focused. They're not, you know, dilly-dallying and just treating this thing like a hobby. Because remember, hobbies cost money. It costs to have a hobby, right? But if you're trying to be a professional in this, then you know, get it right. Get it right.
Good morning, Scott.
Oh, good morning, everyone. Damn. Hey, shout out to Scott, man. Appreciate you. Trade of the day. My man broke down this trade for y'all on 3 different time frames. This takes a lot of time, and I understand that, and I'm grateful for you, Scott. Making this takes a lot of time, mental energy, so we appreciate you, bro. But this was amazing stuff. For those who took the trade on GJ with us yesterday, the whole trade is broken down, labeled, and you can go follow that in the Trade of the Day channel here on the Discord. If you're not in the free Discord, jump on in, man. We're gonna be breaking down every trade, so for you guys to watch or be able to go back, read it. If you missed a stream, you can come in here, read all these labels on the trade, get a really good understanding about the trades we take.
Yeah, shout out Scott. Love it.
Scott's scriptures. Oh, hey, we need 4 more and we're at 700 subs. So There's over 50 watching right now, 50 here, tuning into the class, man. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel. When you do that, you're actually getting a chance to win a 20K challenge account as well. So that's gonna be coming real soon once we crack 1,000 subs. And yeah, come on, come join the journey. Show up to class every day because, man, it is in session. Adam Bella.
Shout out all 51 of you.
Facts.
Running it up.
Good morning, Adam Bella. I'm thinking of starting a challenge with the stream. Let's see. HDP Hid Gaming. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Good morning, Joe. Hamza. Good morning. Ewan's in the house. Good morning. LUNF. Hey, I used to have a friend named Dan Ewan. Amazing guy. Morning fam. Hope you have a blessed Thursday. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, Crim C2. It is the afternoon here in the Netherlands. Shout out to Nano. I missed the trade. Oh, I missed the trade on the 30-minute break resistance. You want to wait for an hour candle anyway here. Yeah, you want to wait for an hour anyway. You got the NY open coming, so why not wait for a resistance for volume to dump in, right? So don't worry about that. You didn't miss nothing there. Morning, man. Hey, Don Ray, good morning. Welcome. The news will impact price. Yes, we got unemployment claims as well here. Man's chart is so clean. You know how I like it. You know how I like to keep it green. Nice and clean. Clean. USD JPY, please. Okay, we're gonna get we'll get to USD JPY right after we get to GBP JPY. Sells. Good morning, Juan. Hey, more Juan's in the house. Is there any prop firm where they have no time limit? Yes, there is. There's plenty of them coming out. There's like probably 3 or 4 of them out already. Oh yeah, Lambo Raul just announced his prop firm doesn't have a time limit, so you can get a challenge with them and unlimited time limit. There's also another US based prop firm called Surge, I believe is the name, Surge Trader, and they don't have a time frame either. Seriously, bro, it's not even 7:30. We're at 52 watching. Yeah, hey, we're averaging. I was keeping an eye on it yesterday, looking at some of the YouTube analytics. We've been averaging about 70 to 80 on the stream pretty consistently throughout the stream. So numbers are getting up there. The impact is spreading.
That's a fact.
20K will be insane. Keep showing up. Yes. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Good analysis this morning. Thanks, Forex Trader. Good morning. Welcome. So yeah, we're gonna wait here on gold for the 1 hour time frame here. So y'all don't stress. Just chill out. We're gonna do a breakdown here. Pound yen. So let's take a look at GJ here. Man, GJ is bullish. So super bullish here on GJ, pushing up pretty nicely. We took beautiful buys there yesterday, man. If we would have not closed, we would still be in this position here. We'd still be in, so pretty cool. But anyway, so we got GJ. We have very lots of bullish volume area right here. I'm expecting some sort of a pullback. It's bound to happen. It's healthy that it happens. It's good. That's what we want to see happen. So, but as of right now, we're bullish. We've broken the highs, pushing up into this resistance area, which is pretty nice. Let's scale down to the daily time frame. So daily is looking clean as well, as expected, right? You had to close above this resistance right here. There was a resistance here. There was a resistance here. You had to close above it. Beautiful push up, clean traffic to the left-hand side. Just absolutely picture perfect, beautiful move here. on the daily time frame with pound yen. So this is why I love GJ, because when she gets going, she's clean, man. She's clean. So we have clean traffic still. We have clean traffic up into this range up here. So there is a high chance that this candle now can continue on bullish here today and tap into 168,400. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, let's get rid of all the drawings here, is in a bit of consolidation right now. Let's take a look left. Boom, boom. See here. Let's take a look. So you got a resistance right here. And let's see if we have been closing above that or not. Above here, you have pretty clean traffic. Let's go back to the right. So yeah, so we're gonna have to adjust this now. So that's gonna be our new resistance. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour has a support right here. And yeah, that's the range that we're currently in right now. So nasty little range here. Looks like the range is moving down and now trying to move back up. So just a bunch of noise here, nothing to concern you, right? Nothing in this range is really too appetizing, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this 1-hour time frame. You have a resistance right here. Let's see what this is. So you have about a 25 pip range here, which is good enough to trade. Let's look left. This white line has to line up with something over here. It's got to. Right here. This is a clean range right here, and then above it is even cleaner. So you have a nice clean range up here. If we look left, right here is probably the target here. And what was the daily target? Daily target was, yeah, look at that, lines up perfectly. So that's perfect, right? It's always good. You want to line up lower time frames to higher time frames to lower time frames. So pretty clean, right? So this is a nice clean range here today on pound yen. I'll probably only be looking for buys once again, just like, you know, yesterday, man, yesterday, I hope you guys really understood what went down yesterday. Like how we managed the position, the sell stops, how we deleted them, why we deleted them. Look at what happened after we deleted them, according to what we were saying on why we, you know what I mean. So it's, I hope you guys are paying attention there. If you weren't, go back and watch that, because these are things that I picked up through experience, and these are things that will save you so much time if you can just take my experience from it. But man, that was super clean, super W of picking up on that, picking up on the time, picking up on candles closing, deleting the sell stop, watching a candle come down that would have tapped us in. We would have been tapped in by less than a pip, and then that would have been it. Price would have been flying up. So we understood that the 4 hour was closing, the 1 hour was closing. We understood we were bullish on the day, right? We understood that we have another setup here called the fake out back into the range, where that was possibly playing out, that the 1 hour time frame was a lot stronger than the 30-minute time frame, and it was a lot stronger than the 15-minute time frame. So we decided to delete that and just solely focus on where that 1 hour candle was going to close, because either way we were going to have the same exact sell stops. Whether we kept those sell stops, whether we deleted them and added them back, it would have been a 1 hour celery. It would have been a 15 close below. Either way, the entries would have been the same entry. So what did it matter, right? We might as well delete, wait for candles to close. And what do you know, that 1 hour candle closed bullish. I think, was it this one right here? Yeah, this one. 1 hour candle closed bullish back into the range, and then we took this whole move up. So W, man, that was clean. That was clean, I must say. So yeah, and then so yeah, that's what we're looking at here. So buys above here, buys above here, and TP up here. So what is that? That's about a 40 pip range. 40 pips, perfect, and the whole range is about 65 pips. So that would be the target here on GJ based off of the daily, higher time frame. All right, cool. And yeah, our buys are this zone here is also breaking the daily high, so that's beautiful, right? This was a 30-minute candle, 1 hour candle, and we were waiting for buys. Where would our buys be? At the break of the high, right? So same thing, we're gonna wait for a closure here above the break of this high, and then yeah, we'll look to clean house in this range, and then probably close partials, and then excuse me, continue on up into these 168 areas. Sound Gucci? Sound good, my friends? Speaking of friends, my boy Tandy's in the house. Good morning, Tandy.
Good morning, boys.
Good boy.
Good morning, Tandy.
How we doing?
Doing amazing. How you guys doing?
Let's get you here on Zoom. So the Zoomer, let's get you here on YouTube land. There he is. There's the GOAT.
What up?
What's good?
Chad, I miss you guys so much. And trying to make dreams come true right now.
Facts.
Sir.
You ain't trying, you're doing it, brother.
Thanks.
Making those tweets.
Nice win on GJ yesterday.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Good morning, Anthony's in the house. Well, hot damn, Tandy, sandbagging son of a. Look at sand. Look at.
If I'm not on the Zoom, I'm at least on YouTube, so I'm still with you guys.
He's still with us. He's still with us, and he's got the sun shining, the light of God upon his face today. Woo, man, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that from here, bro. I'm feeling it. Oh yeah. How's the weather? I stepped out earlier. How's the weather now? Is it warming up a little bit?
Yeah, it was warming up. It was nice when it was getting that like coolish kind of weather. It's like mid 70s or low 70s.
Yep.
It's feeling good.
Oh yeah.
Now it's what? What is it? Oh shit! It's saying 72. There's no way.
72.
That could be a better. I don't know. It's kind of brisk outside.
Yeah. Brisky. So yeah, that's what we'll wait here for on gold. So let's see if we respect this resistance here. I know yesterday we were looking for sells, but price just continued up and up and up and up. I do believe Jay caught sells yesterday. He waited it out, and he may have caught some sells like somewhere around here. I'm not too sure. Yeah, he waited it out. There's been a few times where he's waited it out and caught some nice moves. Me, I couldn't wait no longer. Had to dip. Got that Celsius on deck.
Every day.
You guys are about to see me with something different though, moving forward.
Facts.
Today is my first day trying ashwagandha.
What's that?
It's supposed to help with like stress and like anxiety. Everyone at this job takes it.
Hey man, everyone's doing it.
Yeah, I guess I'm taking it now too.
Everyone's doing it, man. Sheesh. What's it called? Ayahuasca? What? No.
Yo, close. Ashwagandha sounds like, yeah, same thing.
That's funny, dude. That's funny. The real estate boys, man.
They're cold-blooded, man.
They
They're
don't play.
Word.
So I got something to get your spirits up. You know, real estate could be a little anxiety. You know, you could be a little off edge. So I got something to get you back on the edge here, kid.
Dude, I need to send you the video of the CEO. I've been like recording him when he's like on sales calls and stuff. This dude's so brutal. He's like, yeah, I don't care. Like, I'm not talking about that. I don't care. And he'll still like say all this stuff and get the sale. Like, it's just wild.
He's like, all I care about is getting your money in my pocket.
Facts, dude.
You want this home or what? Oh, your audio keeps going in and out. Jason. Oh, yeah. Jason, good afternoon. No, I think the audio's good. You, Nick, I chose you over Raja to watch. Oh, wow. Dang, Nikolovsky for 3, bang! With the nugget, damn. You just made my day, man. It's like when you tell like a 50-year-old lady she looks like she's like 30, right? You make her day, you just made my day, just like that, man. Damn. Love you, man, love you. It's these Ashwaka shrooms or something. Ignore what I said, I restarted the stream. Oh, yeah. Bro, it's like Wolf of Wall Street, snorts cocaine in front of him, yeah.
That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah, I was thinking of that too, actually. That's funny. Tandy's like, yeah, nah, I've never done that before. I'm just a regular family guy. I'm a family man. Next thing you know.
Everybody there is freebasing heroin, so I guess I
Oh, man. Yeah, that real estate sales game's ruthless, man. Ruthless. Hey, we're 4 from 700 subs. All we need is 4 more. And we've reached a new level. It's like a video game. New level reached. So right now there is absolutely nothing happening in the market. Nope. So we just gotta wait, sit tight, chill out. And we're gonna talk the talk, man. We're gonna talk the talk.
Yeah.
It's always important to be at the stream, right? Every day, like, John's just dropping gems, man. Like, every day, like, there's gems dropped. I'm not even trying to say this to be like, we're dropping gems, but, like, every day, man, we're trying to give you, like, this. I'm trying to give you all the secrets that were passed down, bro, to me by very, very successful people. And we never know what we're going to talk about, but it always seems to spill out, right? Because when you pour good in, you overflow and it all comes out, right? And I love to see the guys in the Discord freaking taking notes. Like, where was it? Like, one of these, man. Is it here? But it's just good to see, like, Nico, right? Like, Nico's here bright and early today. You know, he was frustrated because he wasn't waking up for the stream, and look at him, he's here on the stream. Here's what I told him, chat. I told him something that my mentor used to tell me when I used to say, don't worry, man, I'm all in there, I'm with you, bro, we're gonna do this thing. He used to say, what you do speaks so loudly that what you say, I can't hear. Right? Run that back, man. What you do speaks so loudly that what you say, I can't hear it, man. I can't hear it.
Bro, that's what got me here today, bro. I was like, dude, screw anything I have to say, bro. Like, I'm going to stop talking and just do it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Because it gets to a point too where you get fed up with your own excuses.
Yes, bro. I literally felt lethargic in, like, I don't know, in a sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I was right there with you, and I think it was the overwhelming amount of trades that I missed out on. It started like feeling really bad, like internally, and I was like, dude, I gotta change something.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that hit me hard, bro. Monday's trade and yesterday's, I was like, dude, can't believe I missed this, bro.
Yeah. That goes back to the mindset, changing the mindset immediately. Like right when you wake up, you emotionally feel tired, you feel like going back to sleep, you gotta immediately replace that thought with the logic of you getting better on the charts, showing up every day, and being disciplined.
Read the 5 a.m. club, man. I'm telling you, it'll change your life.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Yeah, and you know how you boost your confidence? You know how you get more in a rhythm? You just start doing the little things that you said you were gonna do. And it's like those little wins start to build up. They build up, they build up. And just by you doing what you said you were gonna do, like, bro, today I was literally about to skip the cold shower. And I said to myself, in my brain came what I told you guys yesterday. You always have two choices. And we're always going to have those two choices, right? And those two choices are going to be seek comfort and be a wussy, or go after the uncomfortability, right? Go after, what you know is going to be good for you, but may not like feel good at the time, right? So I had to get in there, because I would have been sitting here right now talking about make a good decision and I didn't get in a cold shower. Like, what kind of leader would that make me, right? So it's what you do when no one's watching, what you do behind the scenes, that's really gonna catapult you, in front of, the audience, or should I say, right? So yeah, it's those little things, right? You woke up, you told yourself you're gonna wake up on time today. He woke up on time today. Now start stacking those wins. Start doing something that I like to call win stacking. Just little wins, bro. Little wins. Telling your wife you love her, right? Hey, honey, I love you. Like, how hard is that? Waking up on time. If I said I was gonna write my journal, write in the journal, right? If I said I was gonna do, 50 push-ups before the stream today, do the 50 push-ups. Like, you know how good you're gonna feel when I used to speak on stage, right? Like, it used to be a little, you get the butterflies a little bit before going on stage, right? And then once you're up there, things start flowing. And when you get off stage, oh man, dude, you feel like $1 trillion. Like, the only thing you want to do is run back on stage, grab the mic, and keep talking. So it's about stepping into it, right? Stepping into your dreams and goals. If X, Y, and Z is what it takes to be a successful trader, and you want to be a successful trader, and successful traders do X, Y, and Z, well, before you find all your success, don't you think it would be smart to start doing X, Y, and Z so you can start living as a successful day trader? Eventually, the money will catch up, right? Eventually, the money's going to catch up, but you don't become a professional trader and then start showing up on time. No. Right? You start showing up on time and then you start becoming a successful trader, right? You don't start making money trading and then decide to get consistent. You get consistent and then the rest of it starts to follow. Make sense?
Yep.
Beautiful. So stack those little wins, my friends. Stack them. Yeah, brother, I'm on your stream instead of Raja's. Oh my God, he's the GOAT, of course. But this new style isn't so disciplined. Oh yeah. I like your words of wisdom. Yep. Thank you, Carlo. Appreciate you coming by. Glad everything is making sense to you. I'm glad you're learning, and that's what the stream is for. So this is a educational class, all right, you could say. www 100%, bro. You spilled this knowledge to me and it has changed my life in the last year. Oh yeah, Scott's making incredible improvements, man. And it's great to see, it's great to see guys taking the knowledge and running with it, man. That's what needs to be done, right? And I just pray that the words fall on ears that can hear, right? That's my prayer every morning. Is that, what I would say and how I would be a light, right? Like a city on a hill, the Bible talks about. Be a city on the hill and, pour that down into other people and hopefully it falls on ears that could hear and not deaf ears. So yeah, just take it for what it's worth and make the improvements, make the adjustments. Once I started keeping my word to myself, it changed everything, and my self-confidence skyrocketed. Yeah, you see that? I had very little confidence in myself and then realized I wasn't doing anything I would say I was going to. Yeah, because when you say you're going to do it, especially if you say it in front of your wife or other people, and you don't do it, you just feel like a loser, right? And it's not that you're a loser. You said something and didn't do it, so you feel like you're a loser. And you don't want to feel like you're a loser, man. You want to feel like a winner. Like, you want to feel like you're winning. So by doing those little minor things every single day, you start to look at yourself in the mirror and be like, I'm a freaking winner, man. Like, I'm doing things. I'm doing the little things that it takes to improve myself. It may not happen tomorrow. I may not see the results next week. But man, over the next couple months, over the next year, I could be right here. I could be exactly where I want to be. So anything is possible. You just have to do the work. Got to do the work. Got to put in the work. Anything is possible.
You focusing on your personal development and going all in on that is you really showing yourself that you actually love yourself and care enough about yourself to actually get better. You know, and you actually don't really love yourself if you are doing all the negative things. You know?
Yeah, man.
That aren't gonna help you in life.
Yeah, and you know what? I'm glad you're going through some tough times. I'm happy for you. You should be going through, if you're chasing greatness, it shouldn't be easy. Right? If getting all this done was easy, if being successful was easy, everyone would be successful. Right? Who doesn't want to be successful? I don't think there's anyone that actually wants to be poor. Right? But it's gonna take work. It's gonna take work, man. You know, I was reading in the scripture, I was reading John chapter 6, and it talks about how when after Jesus did these miracles and fed the 5,000 people, all of a sudden they wanted to make this dude king. They wanted to take him by force and make him king and make this big thing out of him. And because they thought that being that he was able to do this huge miracle, right? He fed 5,000 people with just a little bit of food. They were like, oh my God, he's really the Messiah. He's really the Christ. He's really the king. We need to make him king. All hail Jesus. All hail. And that's not what he came for. That's not what he wanted. And they were trying to take him by force to make him king, but only because they knew he could do miracles and they knew that he can rebel and solve their problems with the Roman Empire, right? Because the Roman Empire were like rulers over them, right? So they were trying to forcefully make him king, and he was like, nah, I'm out of here. Like, and that's a good message for me, right? And for you guys, when you do start to see success, people are gonna try and praise you all the time, right? Like you did something special, right? All you did was these little things. And we can take that lesson from Jesus, how when they did that, he was out. He was like, no way, I'm out. He went off into a mountain by himself to just pray, right? What would you do if everyone loved you and everyone was saying you're the man, you're the best, right? Our egos would take that in, like, yeah, I'm the best, I'm the coolest, right? But we can take a lesson there. But that's not what the point I was trying to bring up. But anyway, so what he did was he also told his disciples to get out of there too, and told them to go on a boat out into the water and cross over to the other side. And the reason, I believe the reason, it's a theory, right, that he wanted the disciples to get out of there too, is because he didn't want the disciples catching hold of like, oh, Jesus is king, and they start to feel some sort of way too, like, oh yeah, look, we're this guy's right hand man, you know, we're about to be royalty in the king's army. But anyway, so they went out onto the lake, and during their time on the lake, they had a lot of struggle. A huge storm came upon them. They were rowing. Imagine rowing this thing. You have to take the what do they call this? The sail, right? The sail. Take all that down. They gotta start rowing. It's tough. They're dirty. Their hands are bleeding. Their calluses are open. It's a tough row. They're trying to get to the other side. And I'm bringing this up because that may be you right now, right? You may feel like you're just rowing, right? You're just rowing along, and it's hard. It's tough. and you don't know what's going on, you don't know why, and you're like, what is going on here? But little did they know, Jesus was up in the mountain watching them, praying for them. He's seen their struggle. And just because they were struggling doesn't mean that they were outside of the will that God had for them, right? They were still in the will of God, although they were struggling, although they were going through the storm, although it was tiring work, it was hard work. They were still being prayed for by God, right? And at any point, God could have just came down and, wiped it all away. But what happened was Jesus was up there watching them, praying for him. And then that's when you hear about the story where he walked on water, right? And they seen him, and immediately they were afraid. They were afraid, right? And you don't want to know what's funny? The whole time that they were in the boat, there was already proof that God was with them. Because remember when he fed the 5,000 people? Well, after that, they had a huge, big basket of leftovers, that basically came from nothing. And that was in there, in the boat, while they were going through the struggle. And I say that to say, do you have proof right now that God's blessed you? Although you're in the struggle, although you're rolling through the storm, is there leftover bread in the boat for you to see that, there's proof that there's supernatural help on the way, right? You have a beautiful family, you have a roof over your head. What can you be thankful for today? What are you blessed for today? Maybe you're not exactly where you want to be in life. Maybe you are going through the storm. Maybe you're rowing and you're tired and the waves are coming up. But guess what? You're still in God's alignment. God's still watching you, still praying for you. And the evidence of it is there, right? You have a family, you have you have your health, right? You have all your limbs. You can see. You're freaking you're trading on you don't even, you have so many blessings around you, yet still ungrateful, right? So let's look around us and let's make sure, although we're going through the storm, we could be grateful. We have an opportunity to turn dreams into a reality here on the charts, right? So, and then guess what? Jesus came down. They were like, oh my God, this guy's walking on water. And, shout out to Peter, because Peter said, I believe it. And he actually took a couple steps out on that water. And guess what happened? The big storm, he was walking on the water. His eyes were focused on God. And the minute he looked away, when the lightning and the thunder happened, what happened? He dropped, right? He dropped under the water. But who was there to save him, right? God was there to pull him back up, give him a hand, build his testimony, build his belief. And he went on and did incredible things, right, in the world for God. So, yeah, just a little life/Bible correlation there for you. Just to be grateful, man. You may be going through struggles, you may be going through tough times. It's part of the game. It's part of the process, right? Like we started it. Nothing in life that is good will come easy to you. So seek that discomfort.
And when you ask God for something, he's not just going to give it to you, right? He's going to give you some trial and error, some, some sort of obstacle, for you to get that, for you. So it's going to be better for you at the end of the day,
Yep.
Exactly. He's doing that to make you better. He's giving you the obstacle, trial and error to make you better at the end of the day.
Yeah. Remember, trials are to test our quality.
He has us all here for a reason.
It builds perseverance. You're gonna need perseverance. You're gonna need it. If you're gonna want to succeed here, you're gonna need perseverance. You're gonna need grit. Bro, what's good? Love hearing you every day. Oh, nice. We're friends on IG now. Hey, let's go. What about GJ though? GJ's in a range. GJ's just ranging. We're bullish on GJ, so we really want to see a close above this zone, breaking the daily highs, and we'll be looking to get into positions whenever that comes. I don't believe in telling anyone what I'm doing. I just get on with it and do it quietly without announcing it. Results speak for themselves, and words are, exactly. No point in telling people what you're doing. Half the time they're not going to believe you anyway, and half the time they're going to respond with some doubtful response, right? And just make you question whether or not you should be going after what God called you to do. But I'm here to tell you that whatever you want to do, you can do and you will do. You just got to believe and you just got to put in the work, man. Yep. My mentor always used to say, lead and only use words when necessary.
Mm-hmm.
He said lead and only use words when necessary, right? People are watching. It's what's caught most of the time, not what's taught. And that goes for you guys, right? In your household, with your family, with your friends, with your people. Lead and only use words when necessary.
Mm-hmm.
Simon, my dog, yeah. What's good with GJ? Yup, that's what's good with GJ. Amen, brother. Perspective is everything. Yo, you're not only a great teacher in this job, but also amazing motivation speaker. Love your lessons. Thanks, Adam. This is Lindy Trading. He will either say yes, no, or something. Yeah, I got something way better. Yup. Yeah, so if you're going through that, man, just take this as a sign that you're good. You know what decisions to make. Hey, shout out to you guys though. 701 subscribers.
Hey.
Let's go. 700.
Let's go.
700 plus. Ready to get impacted. Ready to learn, ready to grow, ready to take their life to the next level, man. Let's go. 700. We are on our way. As the title of the stream says, road to 1K subs. Can you repeat where in the Bible that story is from? Yes, the Gospel of John, chapter 6, verse 14. 14 through 24. 14 through 24. We done cracked 700. We cracked it. So 300 more and we're doing our giveaway. Lit. All right, this candle closed at no bottom wick here on gold. Here at the NY Open. So yeah, not really much we could do at this point. Let's take a look at pound yen. 1 hour candle closed bullish, but still in this range here. So nothing we could do. Hopefully volume can now push us up and we could break out. But as of right now, nothing here for us. Nothing here for anyone, I don't think. All right, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. How was London session, John?
Pretty good. No
Yeah.
trades.
Yeah, I didn't see much.
No.
The only valid trade well, it's not valid because there's no bottom wick, but only trade would have been probably this range 2 breakout fill up here. But
Yeah.
no bottom wick, so no trade.
Yep.
So we also have news here today. Coming in at 8:30, unemployment claims. Someone said Lenny said gold has news. Yeah, gold has news. Yep. Good morning, Lenny. Good morning. Because when you share plans to someone in a way, it de-energizes yourself. It does. It really does, though, right? You know, I experienced that. My mom was super like, you need a job. You have to have a job. Job's the only way you can succeed. Like, you need insurance. You need health benefits. Blah 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 blah. My mentor was saying, people are out there selling their whole lives for $50,000 a year in medical benefits. So I was obviously going to listen to the guy who, you know, had what I wanted in life. But, you know, if I told some of my dreams and goals to my mom, a lot of times I would get like backlash, you know, and I would hear that's not, you know, that's not gonna work, you know, you got to get a job, you got to do this, and yeah, that was very, very de-energizing, right? So that's why you want to be very careful who you tell your goals to. Probably shouldn't tell them to anyone outside of like your mentor, right? Successful people, when they hear your goal, they're always going to encourage you that you can go ahead and do it. But average people, not so much, right? Not so much.
They're going to try to get you to conform with them.
Yeah. And guess what? They believe that that's truly the best for you, right? So you can't even like blame them because of what they've learned and how they've grown up and, you know, their mentality. They actually think they're coming from a loving standpoint, right? They don't not want you to be successful, but you know, parents don't want their offspring to fail, right? So they're always going to be like, oh dude, you know, don't do that, stay safe, all that good stuff. Tandy and Jay, no talking in class, boys.
Fucking seeing this guy right here just made me smile right now.
I know. Let's look at him, handsome son of a
Look
gun.
at that. Look at that fucking
If it was this girl that did this one, I'd be like, no. It's my movie friend. I'd be like, 2 hours.
Look at the office,
that
dude.
man's view right there.
Look how beautiful Florida is, chat. Y'all need to come to Florida.
It was like,
Oh man, Tandy got the private office.
so and just kept going.
All you hear is like 900 phone calls going off in the background.
Yeah, this shaping of the colors, but I hated it.
About to, yeah.
Yeah, when they did over the color, like the
News at 8:30. Yes. When you share trading to others, they either respond negatively, saying you can't make money gambling, or else ask you to invest on their behalf. Yeah. Honestly, I hate telling people I trade. I don't even tell people that anymore. Because you got these numbnuts like, oh, I should give you some money to trade with. It's like, dude, you don't even have money, bro. Shut up.
Nah, just tell them, yeah, sure, but just make them sign a non-disclosure agreement saying that if you do lose all their money, it's not your problem. Kind of like how the banks do to them, in a sense. Oh, sure, we'll hold your money, but if we lose it, God forbid we lose it, you can't come back after us, okay?
I'll give you sounds good. I'll give you 0.2% over the course of the next 12 months.
And if you stay long enough, I'll give you a whole %. That's after 5 years.
Nah, I don't work for people, man. I don't work for other people. If I do that, then I work for you.
Bro, that shit happened to like one of my aunts. Like, she gave money to like an investment company.
Mm-hmm.
She gave him 15 G's. Company gave her back 5 G's and said, oh, I'm sorry. If you pull it out, I can't make back your money, but this is all you have left. So what she do? She's like, well, I already lost 10. I ain't gonna lose the 5. She pulled it out.
Oh, I thought she was gonna be like, all right, I'll put another 10.
Nah, she took out the 5. She
funny.
did what everybody else does.
Yeah. Nah, I've had a few people approach me with that, and it's like, hell no. Hell to the no.
As long as you don't come after me if I lose your money, sure. You got $6 million? Perfect.
I just tell people I'm a janitor at a middle school.
I do stocks. Stocks at Walmart.
I do stocks. Yeah. Oh, you do? Yeah. I stock shelves at Walmart.
That funny ass meme.
And then they're just like, oh, okay, another average guy. Anyways, how's the weather today? You're a Yankee fan? Like, come on.
Weird.
But if you tell them, oh, I trade stocks or I'm a day trader, then they got a million questions. It's like, nah, dude, we're at the line in Publix right now. I'm not gonna be answering all this.
I trade Forex. What's Forex?
Oh, that's like you have to get people in that, right? Nah.
It's a marketing scam. I pay you, you jump in, you get somebody else, that person pays you, me. It's the pyramid.
That pyramid thing? No, that's your job, pal.
Wait, am I at the top of the pyramid, the middle, or at the bottom? If I tell you at the bottom, would you still work for me? No. All right, then you're in the middle.
Is that pyramid thing? Nope, that's your 9-to-5 job, bro. You're an employee. You have managers. They have managers. They have CEOs. They're the boss. You're on the bottom, pal.
The boss.
Sorry to break it to you, but I think you're at the bottom of the pyramid already at your job.
Shit.
Let's see. I tell them I'm a financial risk manager. Oh, nice. I manage risk. That's very true. That is what we do. How about what do you do for a living? We start actually asking, hey, what are you doing to make you happy? Yeah. Yeah, when people ask me sometimes what I do for a living, I just tell them I live. I tell them I'm a husband, I'm a dad, you know. I hang out at the pool. I eat breakfast at noon. Shit like that.
Eat breakfast at 5 o'clock p.m.
I eat one meal a day, like a freak of nature.
Don't have to worry about a drug test. Yo, that's my life. That's my life. Oh, by the way, happy 422 on my
oh, happy 420 there.
Happy 420.
It's the 4th.
The guy John said, happy 420.
Thank you, John. I appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna smoke a blunt in your name later on today.
That, bro.
Yeah, what I always tell people is forget what do you want to do, right? That's not the question. The real question is how do you want to live, right? My whole life people ask me, what do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to do when you grow up? Like, and then my mentor came around one day and he said, how do you want to live? And that was the $1 million, $1 billion, $1 trillion question. And right there I noticed it's not about what do I want to do, it's how do I want to live? And then find something that I can do to make sure that I can live that way, right? That's why all my friends who know me there's a few on here, right, that know me from years and years ago, they always know that I was out there trying to get that freedom, man, just every day, just chasing it, right? How do you want to live? You want to chase something where you can live the way you want to live. You want to live on your own terms, right? I always said to myself, 6 Saturdays and a Sunday for the rest of my life, man. You guys know the feeling, right? When you work a job and you got Saturday come. Well, nowadays I think people work on Saturday, right? They're only off on Sunday. But that weekend feeling, right? That never-ending Saturday, man, right? Like Sunday morning, I remember I used to get that feeling like literally Sunday night. Like you can't even enjoy your Sunday because you're thinking, shit, man, I gotta go to work tomorrow, right? Like, so those are things I wanted to avoid at all costs, and you know, that's why I always chose to build freedom.
Yes, sir.
We shifted as a society, yeah, we did. When did you meet your mentor? In 2020? Hold on. 2013. 2013. So almost 10 years ago now. 2013. If you wasn't selling sweets at school, oh hell yeah. You're not a hustler. John, what would you sell a couple? John's out here selling granola bars in high school.
I sold granola bars, Pop-Tarts, Gushers, all that in school.
All that. I would do the same. So some of you guys don't know, but back in the days, we used to burn CDs, right? So we used to have these CDs. They're like these discs, you know. I know you guys don't have those anymore. But they were CDs, and we would put songs on them. So in middle school, me and my cousin, we would talk to people. We would say, hey, what songs do you want on it? You could put whatever, 10, 12 songs, and bro, we would start burning CDs, selling them for like $5-10 a pop, and just hustling, man, making money. Also, sometimes what I would do, and you guys should try this, I would go around and I would just ask people for $1. $1. But yo, by any chance you got $1 or $2? And man, you would be surprised. Bro, I would make like $20, $30, $35 some days just asking people for $1. Yeah, man. That's when I was in middle school. Bros in 5th grade hustling kids video games like Blockbuster rentals, 200 a week. Yeah, nah, facts. Facts, bro. We were hustling. That's one thing that I've always done, right? I've never really liked the traditional route of like getting a job, working for someone. I just always try and figure out ways to get money, you know, get money on my own. And that led me to trading, which is dope too. Right? Green knows. Where's Green? Green knows.
Yeah, bro. People act like the only way to make money is by getting an actual job. It's not true.
Right? Someone will hold a job just for the name of holding a job. Meanwhile, they could probably do something outside of that and make like double. But 100%. In the name of having a job, I'm going to stick with this. Like, come on, man. Yeah. Hey, we got 39 likes. If you guys could like the stream while we wait for gold to do its thing. GJ, yeah, we need GJ to flip bullish and gold to gold to continue bearish. Pirate copies, the good old days. Yeah, yup, hell yeah. They would steal money from their parents. My one friend, he would his parents left him like a big old drawer full of like 5s and 10s just in case like any of the kids needed money. And yeah, he would always grab that from his parents, from the jar. Was it through Christian connections, Nick? You met your mentor? No, it was actually through business. And those guys really helped me in my walk, in my faith. So they kind of, God connected me with them and they kind of connected me back with God. Like it's just a perfect storm at a perfect time when I needed it most.
Yeah, shout out to the mentors, man. Animals.
Yeah. Got myself into some issues in life, living the worldly ways, and prayed for some help, right? Prayed for an opportunity, and God gave me that opportunity. And in that opportunity were some incredible men that mentored me. And remember, they led by example. Sometimes they talked. Well, they did talk a lot, but they led by example, and you know that example brought me back towards God, and it just connected everything. It was perfect. My son is 10 and selling empty Prime bottles. Get the Prime bottles, put water in it. Half off on these Primes. All right, can we get gold to dip down here? Daily got a top wick now, so Daily's got a top wick. The only issue, my only issue with this daily time frame is we never close below. That's my only issue, man. But again, if we do break this low, there is a high chance we can come down. But gold may mess around here. In this box. Shaking my head. Why are you shaking your head, Green? I remember Green. Green, remember when I would tell you, like, yo, I'm gonna do this, man. I'm gonna do it. And Green's so funny, man. You'd be like, all right, B, hire me as your manager. I know you're gonna make it, man. Just hire me as your manager when you get there. Don't forget about me. Nah, Green's coming with us, man. Green's got deep pockets, too. Green's about to be Throwing that green around. Green's getting
He's gonna
green.
be green bags, not just green bags.
Green bags, baby.
Green, he's green right now.
Green been getting bags up.
He's green bags. Oh, I know. I see him.
Oh yeah, green don't play. That boy green don't play. Green been getting it, baby. I don't have many friends that trade from back in the day, so I'm happy to have green here. In the game. Green's on point too. Sometimes I'll text him at night and just say, send me your markups now. And he sends them, and them joints are money. They look just like mine. Jay, you caught them sells yesterday. Waited for him, right?
Oh,
Jay caught a nice move.
Nah, I mean, it was all right. I think my buddy's on here too.
Small move, right? But still a move.
It was. I mean, so the stops were easy money because once momentum dies out, wicks are smaller. But I mean, it wasn't much. It was just like a retest of the 13, and that was it.
Where was that?
You didn't skip.
That was like
at the top
maybe?
here. I'll show you right now. So it was. Let me see the 15-minute here. 30-minute.
Because we were waiting all day, but I couldn't wait any longer.
Bro. Nah, man, that shit happened late, bro.
Yeah, but you're like the king of grabbing those late moves.
No, well, because I got time, and if I got time,
He got
like
time
yesterday,
today.
I was waiting, bro. I was waiting.
I think that was right here, right? 11:30.
The ending. Yep. So it was basically the breakdown back into that support zone, and then it never broke the low, and then that was it.
Right here.
30 pips. That was it.
This
It
one?
wasn't nothing. It was that one. Yep.
Or this one?
That one.
This one.
No, that one. Yeah.
Nice, yeah. Back
Yeah.
down to support. Yep. Yeah, we were waiting for them sells all day, but look at that, just straight push up, man. Never dropped.
It's funny because I feel like that was overall what we were looking for yesterday, right? We were looking for, the day before yesterday, we were looking for buys, but then the sells played out.
Yeah,
but then
exactly.
buys played out for the session.
I know.
And then everybody was waiting for the sell.
Yep.
And then the sell was
2 days in a row.
It literally tried, and then it's like, all right, go.
Yeah.
Stop fucking around. Give me a good move right now.
Yeah, man. That's why we always got to be patient, right? And really wait for candles to form how we want to see them, because you had people probably take sells right here, right at this level.
Yeah.
Boom, to push down. And then people probably took them right here at this level to push down, right? But candles continue to show bullish, right? Some people probably took them right here at this level, right? This is where we were expecting, right? Yeah. It just continued up. So same thing right here. They probably, try to take sells right at this level to continue down, but you really have to wait for candles to show you when it's that opportunity. You don't want to just try and, predict price reversing. Right? Predict it here, predict it here, predict it here, predict it here. You really want to watch price and come in second place. That's such a good term that Don uses, but he's right. Let the candles show you where the market's going, because here there's literally zero sign of any sells at that point, right?
Yep.
So and this on a 15-minute time frame.
You didn't even see any sells on the buy. So if you're taking sells on that push up, you probably destroyed your account.
Yeah, man. Yup, and you basically had stop losses all over the place here, right? Stops above here, stops above here, stops above here. So anyone who was like super impatient yesterday got stopped, and chances are they tried to attempt it multiple times.
Yep, chasing it. Here's a little pretty cool thing that I've realized, like just thinking in outcomes, right? So when, like you say, let's say, I'll just base this off like what I do. Let's say I'm taking a trade. I take my trade on the 5 minute. I don't focus on the 5 minute. I look at the 15 minute because that's where the lower highs and the lower lows are holding. Now, mind you, here's where the outcomes come in. If your candles on the 15 minute are closing bullish and respecting lows and respecting highs, hold that shit. Once it closes bearish, that's it. Pull your money out. Because then you play the game kind of like roulette, right? What are the odds the color lands again? So in a sense, you start seeing it that way, and then you play it out like in the charts, and you say, okay, the 15 minute closed bullish, the high broke, the low still holds. So let's see what the next candle does, and it starts to push. It closes bullish again. You're into the profits. It goes to the next candle, still pushing up, going up. And then once you start seeing it get exhausted, or start seeing it your first bearish candle close, pull your profits out, and that's it. Fucking easy, bro. Like I literally have been doing that and just basing it off that, and that's how I've literally been able to capture most of these moves. That's just insane.
Beautiful.
Just look at the probabilities of like the candles keep closing bullish, respecting lows and the highs, and no fear. Just hold that thing all the way through.
Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm. But don't look at the 5, because the 5 will get you out.
Don't look at the 5.
If you don't like seeing drawdown.
Drawdown.
Yeah, so don't look at the 5.
Oh, look at this. So we're pushing down in time for news. We got news coming up in 6 minutes. So daily candle looks like it's got itself a top wick. Let's see if we could flip and break the lows here. And if we start breaking these lows, we're gonna look for positions here to come all the way down, fill this wick here today.
We're holding that support zone though. That 1989. That's the one thing that has me thinking about.
Yeah, 1990. We need to close below there.
Yeah.
If we close below,
this thing could pass up.
Beautiful clean traffic to the left, moving with the daily time frame, moving with the weekly time frame. We'll take advantage of all this.
The weekly can actually pop. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah. Yeah, today's the end of the week. Yeah, we could probably see a nice little push here on gold this week.
Yep. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Yeah, I would love to see a liquidity grab back down there, 1970, 1980, and then push up. Or just from here, hold above 2K and then just take it up.
All right, so we're looking pretty good so far here in April. I think we're like, we got 2 L's. So 2 L's here in April. But other than that, it's been pretty clean. Had this one break-even trade on gold. But yeah, other than that, it's been a pretty good month. A lot of breakouts, had that fake out, a couple celery plays here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We didn't lose one celery play. What did we take an L on? Oh yeah, we did. We took an L on this celery. And I believe we were going against the daily trend on that trade. 15 minute as well. See that? 15 minute celery.
Oh yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah, that's about it. Other than that, I mean, these trades we take over and over and over again. Right, what's the difference between this breakout, higher current candle, and this breakout, which is the current candle? One's an L, one's a win. There's nothing different, right? That's just the probabilities, right? You guys understand that trading is about probabilities, right? And if you notice, you could see the probability right here. So you see the probabilities just work themselves out. That's why you can't get hung up on one trade, right? You can never get hung up on one trade, on one win, on one loss. You have to continue to take your setup when it presents itself and just let the numbers play out. Let the chips fall where they may.
Continue to run the system, no matter the outcome.
Yeah, not one trade here did we break our rules, did we break our system. And when you don't break your rules and break your system, well, that gives you the opportunity for the data to calculate, right? What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 trades, 2 losses. You know, I'm not sure if who's good at math here, but what's the percentage, right? What's the percentage there? It's got to be close to 90, right? 90% win rate. So yeah, we have news here in a minute and 5 seconds.
I'm thinking news is going to drive this down towards the daily wick, and then we're going to flip. We're not going to break though.
Let's see. Let us see. This is the daily wick right here, I believe.
No, the daily wick is the whole move down. That's the 4 hour.
Let's take a look.
We come close to the bottom. I'm not saying we're gonna
daily wick
down.
Right here. So it's the support here. So yeah, let's see what happens.
I think it comes down. If they push it or not, I'm not even gonna say it because I know people will try it. I'm not even gonna say it. I'll just do it myself.
Sell now.
No, I was gonna say, like, once it comes all the way down towards that daily wick and it respects that low, buy. But don't do that. Just
oh shit, there we go.
Don't do that.
7 seconds. What's the spread like?
Oh shit.
Nothing. No spread. 1, 2 pips. So here's the news. Here we go.
Here's the
closure below here would be perfect. This also the 15-minute support as well.
Here's the break of the daily high right here.
Let's see if we respect this daily high. Struggling there. See if it...
I know. This is weird for this event.
Yeah, man. I had no spread here, man.
It's weird.
1 pip spread.
What was this, unemployment claims?
Yeah.
I feel like gold is telling us, well, we're gonna go buy. So you guys want to jump in? I'm struggling here.
Gold. I think we're at this like support where we never broke below, even on the weekly time frame. So we can push up, we can range, or we can drive down. What's it gonna be?
Daily high just broke.
Previous highs. Yep.
All right. Oh shit, I was looking at the spread on pound yen. Oh yeah, spread was really high. Spread was like 4 pips. Still is. Stalled. Oh, here we go. Yep. Here we go. So yeah, we get buys above 2012 here, if anything. Clean traffic to the left.
Oh yeah.
BRB.
All right, boys, I'm about to head off this.
Head off what?
Peace. What happened?
Head off what?
The call.
No, you're not. He's frozen. You don't know what to do.
Today's skipping day. Today's National Skipping Day, bro.
Dude, if I wasn't in freaking jeopardy of failing, like I dead would.
Oh, I feel you, bro. Fuck it. Might as well get that shit done with.
Like, I got a lot of days absent right now, anyways. Especially for like, you know, half a class. Like,
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Like a half a class you take like on the half of the year. It's like for like only 2 quarters. It's not like a full year class.
My man did not even go to his half-year classes. He's
Not about
all
it.
that shit. It ain't teaching me how to make money.
Seriously, I'm not about it at all.
Oh man.
Yeah, bro. Almost done though. I can't wait to get the hell out of this shit.
Almost there, bro. Almost at the finish line. Just a
Yeah.
few more steps.
He's almost at the finish line.
Yeah, I got like 5 more weeks. Bro.
Let's go.
So let's get it, right?
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Once you leave, be like, I ain't never coming back to this bitch.
Yeah. I ain't walking or anything. Like for my graduation, Make me leave for every 9 a.m. candle? Like, fuck out of here. I ain't trying to shake no principal's hands or anything.
Give me my shit, I'm out.
Why not?
Yep.
With Sen's hand, no, I got a trade to take. I got money to make, bro.
Exactly.
That's funny.
Well, hell yeah, bro. Go fucking finish school and let's get it.
But alright, boys. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
No, you
Catch
won't.
tomorrow, bro.
Have a good 420.
No, you're not leaving, bro.
You know, don't get in trouble. Stay.
You're not
safe.
leaving.
Yep.
No, you're not leaving, bro.
I'm not fucking leaving.
You have
I'll come back on.
you have parental supervision right now.
You got your older brother watching over you.
Nah, dead ass.
Facts.
Shit's a fucking joke, bro. Chat, imagine you had to go to school right now.
Imagine.
They are in school right now.
There's some people in the chat like, I'm technically in school right now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Life school, baby. Life school, baby.
For real.
Oh,
I'm about to
man.
walk in and be my head. Well, not my head, but everyone else's head is gonna be filled with a bunch of BS.
Yup.
They ate a whole
See
bunch
what
of
they're gonna do
cereal.
on 420, what they're gonna do later on in the day, who's gonna spark up who's gonna cap, who's gonna be getting the munchies. That's what everybody's thinking about today.
They're like, yo, my mom left me $5 for lunch today. I'm gonna spend it on marijuana. John's like, I got two plastic bags full of money right now, dude. Nah, no lie.
Yo, I got a 5. You want a match? Yo, I got 5 on it. You got 5.
They're like, yo, John, you think you could do a granola bar for $1 off today?
Dead ass, yo. These kids are freaking half asleep, bro, at like not even 9 a.m. and they're like buying like 10 granola bars off me.
That's because they're eating nutritional breakfasts taught to them by America.
Seriously.
Just stuff this
granola bar.
manufactured plastic cereal into your digestive system. You're gonna have a great day.
Seriously. Dude. A lot of emotional decisions there.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Man, oh man.
Yeah, but I'll see what's up when I get to school. I'll see if I'll hop on probably.
No, you won't.
Do it. Go show everybody how cool you are. Hanging out with the old guys.
With the big dogs.
No, better word, big dogs. Not old.
They're like, no, that offends a dog. Bro, hold on, before you go, my daughter was watching something yesterday. Yo, they called this teddy bear a stuffy. I said, nah, turn that shit off right now. Turn it off.
Stuffy?
Yo, what?
This ain't no stuffy, my G. This is a teddy bear. Oh, but we don't want to offend the bears.
Wow.
Nah, get off my television.
Dude, what the bro, that's sad.
I heard that, I was like, what?
Yeah,
What the hell?
He's like,
I asked my
stuffy?
wife, what the
Alright,
hell's a
turn
stuffy?
Turn that off. Turn that off.
Stuffy, bro. That's
Later
crazy.
ain't watching nothing that's saying stuffy in this fucking
Come on, man.
That's crazy.
Come on, man. Only thing
Yeah,
that's stuffy is that office job you working in, man. Stuffy in there.
Stuffy in there.
We don't want to offend the bears.
That shit out of here. That's terrible. Man, they're really trying to freaking screw up these younger generations, though.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Not my kids, man.
I don't know.
And not your kids, chat.
How to load up
Not your kids.
the 9. How to shoot. How to pop out and shoot.
For whoever's got their kids in schools, man, I'm not saying what to do, but I'm saying just be aware, man, because I'm in school right now and I see a lot of BS that's not helping anyone. So
True.
Very true.
just be aware of
Man, John.
who's teaching your child right now.
Yo, John, I was gonna ask you a question, bro. Do you have any trans people teaching at your school right now?
Dude, yes. There was one student teacher. She was a student teacher, so meaning like she just got done with college and she's trying to be a teacher now.
I got you.
Bro.
I got you.
I don't know, whatever, he or she, bro. I don't even know what she is.
We're considering it's, and they don't know what they're at. They're it.
No, bro. She made all the students call her teacher, and not Mr., Mr., or Mrs.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
You want to hear some deep stuff about the whole they, them pronouns?
It.
Remember in the Bible where these guys were possessed with a demon, and he called himself Legion and said that there's many of them, right? And Jesus casted those demons out into the pigs. Mm-hmm. Well, bro, these they and them those are legitimately Legion demons, bro.
Real.
I'm telling you, man. There's spiritual warfare going on, ladies and gentlemen, that it's in the spiritual realm, right? There's a lot of things going on in the unseen that you have to be aware of. It's in the spiritual realm. Very, very scary. Very, very scary. But good part is it is finished, right? So for all of us, there's good news.
Yep, Jesus, the truth, the way, the light.
Yeah, man.
He is your ticket to heaven.
Pretty crazy.
Yep, it is crazy because we wouldn't be here like without a God.
And let me ask you, that trans, on a scale of 1 to 10, how mentally stable would you say that person is? Even if you didn't, looking past the whole trans thing.
I'll say a 0.
I would say 1.
Crazy, man. Crazy.
How can you be mentally stable if you don't know what gender you are? You got a dick between your legs, but you call yourself a girl.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious.
And I ain't saying this to get kicked off YouTube, so Nick, what happens, bro? I don't want to be political on here. This shit goes down on here. Like, you say something like that, it's like, oh God, you're fucking this.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So no school for my kids.
Imagine Nick.
Mine either.
I got on the live yesterday, and it's like tomorrow, fucking live stream is banned. Oh, you said some pretty hateful things.
You said Jesus.
You said Jesus was the way, and we don't like that shit around here, boy.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Imagine.
Bad that they're listening to us right now too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yep.
God knows.
God did.
Gold, question mark. What about
Gold
it?
is in a range.
Gold is in a buy. Just relax.
Gold is just doing what gold's doing. We're waiting here. 15-minute candle's gonna close up. So
15-minute candles closing above the range, looking good.
A bunch of choppiness to the left.
We're saving our money for the highest probability setup we can get.
Yeah.
Exactly. Pay attention to the youngest guy in the group right here.
Yeah.
My man knows what he's talking about.
I appreciate that.
Just wait.
People be
like, yo, gold, you guys are just talking too much shit, bro. Gold is moving, bro.
Trade, man, trade.
Yep.
I need that trade, bro. You don't understand. I gotta survive off these $5. You don't understand. This shit's hard.
We all know the real secret to trading. It's patience.
I need to turn this $5 into 50 right now.
Right now?
I need to get rich tomorrow.
15-minute closed above the range though, so this is looking good for the buy.
Yeah, me personally, I'm gonna stay out of any buys here. Any buys right here, I'm gonna stay out of. I'll take my buys up here, just because we're very choppy here.
Oh, in the range.
Yeah. I'll be looking for buys above here, but 2012. Yo, sup? What's up? Sunny? What up, Sunny? Let's take a look at pound yen here. So yeah, looking for a close below or buys above here. So we'll see. Looking like it was going to be a close below and pulled back. Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop back on in school.
No, you're not.
Do it, brother.
Yo, Nick. Bro, Nick, I can't wait till we start doing those pranks, bro. What's your name? No, it's not. No, it's not.
Jay, you take that buy? No, you didn't. Yeah, I took it. No, you didn't. You heading off to school though, John?
Yep.
No, you're not.
Unfortunately.
No, you're not.
I'm heading off to prison.
No, you're not.
Yeah, Chad, I can't wait, man. I can't wait till I could be on this whole session with y'all.
No, you can't.
Few more days, bro. Few more days.
Literally, that's it. It's gonna go by quick.
No, it's not. Alright, you out of here or what?
Yeah, boys. I'll catch you when I get to school in a little bit.
Later, my man.
Alright, broski.
All right, peace,
Enjoy
peace.
it.
Chat, catch you.
Enjoy it. Be a city on a hill, kid. Be a city on a hill.
I'm gonna feed my mind with trading podcasts through the whole 45 minutes of my classes.
No, you're not.
Nice.
Alright, brother.
Sick.
I'll see you
Alright,
later.
I'll catch you.
I'll talk to you later.
See you.
Peace.
I bet. Peace, boys.
Peace. Peace. Oh,
Peace,
that?
peace, peace.
No, that's the East Side boy. Ah, peace. There it is.
GJ did the same thing, looking like it was gonna close below. Oh yeah, I already read that. Yep. Yeah, nah, for sure. GJ, man, I don't even want sells on GJ. But gotta do what the system calls for, right? Nico, how's the weather in Dominican Republic today?
Bro, perfect. It's fucking perfect. I'm going at 11 a.m. to this place called Caribbean Lake Park.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty epic place, bro. They have like a lazy river. They have boogies. They have zip line. They have wakeboarding in a lake with with one of those lines and all this shit. It's pretty dope.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you. My wife was like, "Yo, who you making international calls to?"
Oh no! Was it expensive?
Nah. She was like, "Yeah, I seen that there was some international calls on the phone bill."
And ready for takeoff.
I was like, "Oh, Uncle Scout's here. Uncle Scout's in the building."
What up?
What's good, my dude?
What's happening?
How's you feeling, B? How's you feeling?
Beautiful morning in New York City.
Oh, NYC in the house. Damn, we got Tampa, we got Washington, we got Dominican Republic, we got NYC. Sheesh. We worldwide, baby. We got people in the chat from everywhere.
I wish I could say I was in DR.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Look at that nice, beautiful sky. No pesticides getting shot out through planes like in America. Those clouds look awful funny up there.
I never seen a cloud like that before.
Dominican Republic, man. DJ Khaled. Oh, GJ's going all the way up. Right now, GJ looks like it's going all the way down, but yeah, we want to see it go up. Santiago. Oh, nice. Oh, we got some more DR here, Nico. Santiago, that's where my wife's mom lives.
Nice.
I'll be in Santiago soon. Spain in the house. Let's go.
I want to get you Dominican students, bro. It's gonna happen.
We're going to DR for a 5-day in-person course soon. Hello, Nick. Good to see you. Hey, Mr. Striker. Good to see you as well. Write with bigger captions. Gold is cold. Gold is cold. Cold is gold. Yeah, man. Still no real direction here on gold. This candle is just noise here. It's just noise. How many of you got into buys here? Cricket, 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 cricket. Gold is cold. Come on, man. We want to see gold push down, GJ push up. Enough with the BS.
Gold pushing up, bro.
Hey, 64 heads watching. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel here. Turn on the notifications. Hit the like stream. Class is in session. Had two of the best compliments today. I tuned into your stream instead of Raj's. Wow. He's the GOAT though, he's the GOAT. Let's see how this candle closes here in 8 minutes. Gold is cold. Spreads were crazy on gold too. Yo, I've been watching this stuff on Netflix about the human body. Crazy, man, crazy. Crazy. You have a miracle working for you. My brother Juan, what up, bro? Good morning. Good morning. Are you in the trade club today or are you trading from home today? Gold still in this range since last night. Yup, London session, yeah. Yeah, for me, all this right here is just considered one big no trade range. One big no trade range. That's all this is right here. Home. I don't go to the trade club no more. Oh, okay. Trading from home. Nice. Nice, nice. Got a home setup. Nice, dude. Yeah. Trading at home now, man. Plug in with us every day, Juan. Come plug in. Come plug in with the community. Yeah, it looks like you had a little bit of a celery play there, but you had a resistance right here. You got a resistance right here. You got a resistance right here, and another one right here. So I'd rather let other traders' money push through this range here, and then I will take buys above here. Because if we look left, there's no resistance. There's just clean candles all the way up. Alright? So let the other positions that other retail traders have push it through for us and see if it can get through, and if it can get through, then that's where we'll take our trades, or that's where I'll take my trades. Love to see how big this platform has gotten. Oh yeah, it's getting there, it's getting there. YouTube analytics, we're ranging between like 60 and 80 every day for the majority of the stream. So some of you guys remember we were just having like 8 people on the stream, 9 people. And yeah, the reach is getting out there. So if you guys haven't liked the stream, give us a like and a sub, because when you like the stream, it helps get the stream out there with the algorithm. It helps, you know, when people log in, they're looking for a live stream. The likes supposedly do that work for us. So yeah. One thing that helps too is our watch time. The consistency in that is really high. It's like average person spends at least like, I think it was like 40 something minutes at a time, like before getting off or doing something else. So that's pretty big too. Bro, I remember when you started. Yeah, it wasn't that long ago. A couple months now, right? February, I think. I think we started in February. Let's see. Our first live was 2 months ago. Wow, it feels like a lifetime. It feels like we've been on here for years. 2 months? That's crazy. What was the actual date? Can you see that? From 96 views to 400 or 500. This one had 1,400 views on it. From 96 views to almost 1,500. Dope. 629, almost 600. So yeah, we're definitely growing, man. It's good to see. Well expected, right? We put out a lot of free value every day. A lot of free content, a lot of free gems that are just dropped. And it's fun. It's fun. That's what I love to do. When TC opened? TC. What is that? TC. Not sure what that means. Not sure. Oh, Trade Club. When Trade Club opened. Oh yeah, that's right. Yep. Yeah, that was when I went down there. That's so true. Yeah, see, gold never closed above this range here, so. Got a new 4-hour candle, right? So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. Looks like gold closed bullish, but right below the support, so nothing there for me. 1 hour still in this range, gonna stay out of these buys. If price pushes up through this range, doesn't matter to me. I'll be looking to trade up here. So we'll wait for that. If and when we get a close above, we'll look for positions. 4 hours bullish though. Yeah, so not looking the greatest there. GJ as well. If we're looking at this from a 4-hour standpoint, then we did not close below the support here. We closed above it, so we are bearish, but there's probably a high chance that we could push up now. So we'll have to wait and watch how this plays out here on the lower time frames. 30-minute did close bullish with a rejection, but we haven't had a bottom wick, so nothing to enter on there. 1 hour is still bearish, but if we do get some sort of a bullish close, we may look to take positions, but right now we can't take any buys, can't take any sells, so yeah, we're just still waiting. GJ flip coming soon. Yeah, we want to see this daily candle move like it should. Hi Nick, thanks for streaming. Yo, FB, what up? What's good? TP at 168,400. Yeah, right around there. That's gonna be the daily target. Daily target is up here, yep. Hey, Green. Hi, Green. Green is the man, dude. Damn. It's an honor to know you, Green. It really is, bro. Green's worldwide here. If you don't know Green yet, where y'all been, man? Where y'all been at? If you don't know Green, do you even trade, bro? Next we are looking at 800 subs here. Yeah, we got no bottom wick here on this push, this news push either. The one thing I don't really like is that we broke the daily high. Broke the previous daily high. But what's cool about our supports and our resistance is that they all line up. 1 hour, 30 minute support lines up, 30-minute resistance lines up, 15-minute support, 15-minute resistance. So a little bit different on the 15, but pretty much right. This is a very strong range here. So once we get a breakout of it, we'll be chilling. Y'all having fun though? You guys having a good time on the stream? Is there anything that we can do to make the stream better? Is there anything we could do? What do you think? What do you think? You guys learning? You feel like you're learning? Feel like you're growing? Because that's what the stream's for. So it's not necessarily for entertainment. It's for you guys to learn and grow, right? And I know there's always going to be the 80-20 rule, but man, keep yourself in that 20%, right? Take notes. You know, record this stuff. Like, don't just sit there and wait for a trade, wait to be handed a trade. Really hear what we're saying on a daily basis and apply it in your life. Like, take it into consideration, think about it, ponder about it, right? Like, these are things that have all helped me get to, you know, where I'm at now, and they're going to continue to help me to where I'm going, right? Which is going to be a multi-million-dollar trader, right? like my boy. So yeah, man, I hope you guys are really getting what I'm talking about really staying disciplined, really having a system and a playbook. These are things that all successful traders live by and trade by. They're not just trading random setups. They're not just trading when there's volume in the market. We can care less about, we want volume, but at the end of the day, if volume is there and our setup isn't, then you know, we're not fazed by the volume, right? A lot of traders, they see all the volume and they just want to enter a trade, and unfortunately that's really what screws a lot of people over. And if you can just get past that and really stick to that system and that strategy that you know works, you're gonna start to get consistent. You're gonna start to see consistent results. It's no surprise that we're able to be profitable month after month, you know, week after week, month after month. Like I can't even tell you the last month I had not a positive month, right? The only month in at least the last 6 to 8 months that was like on borderline of not being positive was February. But February we still made money. We just kind of broke even. But there was not a lot of trades in February either. So yeah, it wasn't many. It was a very slow month, right? So we all know next year I'll probably be vacationing in February. But yeah, other than that, you know, we really started picking up. And that's just sticking to the plan, right? Sticking to your plan, letting the trades play out, letting them, you know, fall where they may, right? And it's crazy because in March, man, I still say like we could have avoided at least 2 of these losses here. So we probably should have had 1 loss, but this is what following a system looks like. This is what it should look like, right? If you're really truly following and you have an edge, then it should look like this, right? And if you are following your edge and it's not looking like this, then maybe you just need a new edge. Maybe you just need something that works better. Somebody said, I believe up top, they did the math. I think it was what, 84%, 83% win rate? I think I seen somebody say it. Nick, you see any trade today in NY session? No, not yet. Not yet. Just hanging, waiting now. Just hanging out. Right, chat, you guys know sometimes we'll hang out all session. Boom. All of a sudden we get our setup, we get our pips, we get our money in and out 15-20 minutes. So like John said, a lot of trading is just waiting. It's just hanging around, right? You see all the big boy traders say when you get to a point where trading is boring, that's how you know you're going to be profitable. Boring trading is good trading. Always learning, perfect. Have an indica and a sativa flavor test on stream right now. Waiting for my last 500. Sheesh. Yes, be patient for that. Just be patient like it's your first 500. And your second 5 and your third 5. Just keep doing the same thing. Same thing, different day. The discipline muscle, right? Like I said yesterday, if the markets do the same thing over and over again, why are we trying to change what we do? Right? Just stick to the same thing. What's been working for you will continue working for you. Just don't get too excited. Don't get too crazy. Don't just try and make 500 off of a random move, right? Just unless it's maybe like the last hour of your challenge, then yeah, maybe. But other than that, just be a professional and wait. And that's the biggest thing I really want to stress on the streams. It's just about being mature. It's just about being consistently mature in your trading. And that way it could pay you, right? Pay you like a business, because that's ultimately what this is, right? It's your business. Someone said in the chat, I am a risk manager, right? I manage risk. That's what you do as a trader. That's your title. That's your title. How responsible would it be to take trade after trade after trade and not manage risk, right? Just take random trades. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Some of you guys who follow me on Instagram, you've seen what I posted yesterday. Your goal and your job as a trader is to make the best trades, right? Money comes secondary to that. Your main job is not to make money. Your main job is to make sure you're taking the best setups that the market presents and provides for us, right? It's not to make money. Making money is going to come with that. By doing that, making money becomes a byproduct of that. So too many traders, and we've all been there, right? We get into trading to make money, don't we? But once you start understanding the game, you know that it's not just about the money. The money is going to come with the professionalism. The money's going to come with you being patient and only taking your setups and being selective in the markets. And then the money's going to come. The money's never going to come if you're just throwing a dart, taking a buy, taking a sell. You don't know why. You don't know what the daily direction's looking like. You don't know what the higher time frames are saying. You're just in and out. That's not what scalping is, for those who thought that may be what scalping is. Not at all. Not at all. And again, I've been every trader I clown about and talk about, I can do it because I've been that trader. I've been that trader before, trust me. Probably blown 30 accounts. 30,000 at least learning how to trade. But guess what? Some people blew 330,000, right? So it's all irrelevant. Like, same thing with me making money, right? I make 1,000, 2,000 a day, say, well, what am I hype about? There's guys making 100,000, 200,000 a day. What am I, so there shouldn't be any excitement. There shouldn't be any disappointment. It should just be professional. Need MFF account. Yeah, that's, the 20K account is going to be a My Forex Funds account, by the way, as well. Time to run up $1 million, right, Uncle Scout?
I'm vibe. 100%.
Time to run up $1 million. I'm gonna get $1 million in capital.
I'm definitely on the way.
Yeah. Chat, you get $1 million in capital, 1%, $10,000. You take.
You don't gotta catch those huge moves. Catch little baby moves.
Yeah, man. You shoot to risk like 2 to 3%. Your wins and losses are gonna be around 10, 20, 30,000. If you have a high win rate like we do, those numbers are gonna play themselves out really well. At that point, you're talking like $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 months. Right? 8% of $1 million is what, 80,000, right?
80%. You said 8% or 80%?
8%.
Yeah, 80.
80K. And guess what? To some people, they're talking about 80K in a month. Bro, we're making 80K in a day. So even when I do start making 80K in a month, it's gonna be like.
And some people don't even make 80K in a year.
Right. So that's why you can never compare, because when you compare, there's always someone doing worse, and then there's always someone doing better. So you just can't even compare. You just gotta continue to be a work in progress. Gold making bullish flag pattern on the 5 minute? Oh, I have no idea. Maybe. Yeah, I guess so. It looks like a flag to me.
It's really crazy to think that 80K a month, that's wild. It's so doable.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why you can never brag, man, because there's someone always making more, always doing things bigger. You just gotta chase the best you could be. Always gotta be chasing a better version of you. And you can never brag. You can't brag because there's always someone doing better. That's why God said it's not by works, but by faith that makes you saved. Because if it was by works, then people could brag and say, "Oh, I did more works than you. You did more works, right?" He didn't. There's no bragging, right? Everyone is created equal with the opportunity to make themselves unequal, to do whatever it is that they want with their life. Yeah, GJ and gold are frozen. See what happens at the NYSE Open and see if we can get a move on things. If not, maybe a no trade day. See how that news came out, by the way. 245. Wow, numbers came out way off here for the Philly Fed. Crazy. Where's Sammy boy at? Is Sam on here? Sam, where you at? Everyone go message Sam on IG and be like, "Where you at, bro? Where you at?" Everyone go message him in the Discord. What do we got here? Charts for stream. What do you think? View and buy for new high. So I want to break this down, but this doesn't give me anything to break down, right? There's no information for me to see. So when you guys send charts, send a chart, and you see how there's labels on these telling me what's what, where I got in, where my stop loss was, you know, what I'm targeting, what I'm thinking, right? When you send charts, label them like this so we could really dive into it and go over it. Because this is good and all, but I have no information here. No information. Don't know where you entered, don't know where your target is, don't know why you entered, right? So just put a little bit more info. That way we could really take a look at it and dive into it. But if we get a close below for the NYSE Open, then high chance we can come down and retest this wick down here after breaking that low. It's about 60 pips, so keep an eye on it. Want to see it close below though. Oh, he is back. He's back. The king is back.
Yo.
What's goody?
That's good.
There he is, walking the halls.
Yup.
Kids walk in the halls. You almost out?
I'm almost out of what? School? Hell no.
That's funny. Can you show the chart zoomed in, please, with the labels? Yeah, hell yeah. You could also go to our Discord and check out the trade of the day. And in here you will see labels and all that. You don't have to make 9 of them. This is just really detailed explaining our trade of the day, but if you want me to break down a chart, I mean, maybe 3 or 4, right? 3 or 4 that can help it make sense for us. But yeah, this is beautiful right here. Labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? If you guys go in here, you follow these labels here, you're gonna start to understand these trades really well. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. And we'll have these for every trade. Every trade we take. Labeled really well, very professional. All right. Yeah, take a look at it. Trade of the day. Amazing, amazing. All right, give me a sec. Let me get some more water. Let me use the bathroom real quick, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. We got 5 minutes before the candle close and the volume come in. So we really want to see a close below here. If we can get this candle to close below, volume should be able to dump us down. So we'll see. John's in school like, hey, yo, Billy, you got that money for that granola bar? Yeah, if we get a candle to close below, when do we know wicks get filled? Wicks get filled during volume times. So if we get a candle to close below, we shouldn't have a problem filling that wick down there.
How many pips is that? Let me see.
$55. $55. What's COMEX? COMEX is the commodity exchange open, which happens at 8:20. So that happened about an hour ago. About an hour ago. Yeah, the one thing I don't like is that we broke the daily freaking high, man. But that did happen due to news. It's not that it happened due to technicals, right? That was like what's the word? Like a unaccounted for, or like it shouldn't have happened, basically, right? It happened because we had a push on news. So it's not like we just did that based off of technicals. We did it because of the information that was absorbed into the market. Hey, GJ. Goldie, goldie, goldie. If we close above, you may have a 1 hour seller. It's about a 1-to-1 with that wick fill. All right, so we got the open here. Candle closed with no bottom wick, so you know what that means. And 30-minute on GJ closed bearish. Yeah, so pretty tough. Gold, you could technically say we closed below. You could technically say we have a small bottom wick. Let's see if we can make a top wick here. yeah, I think I'm gonna have sell stops here. Volume coming in. If we break these lows, high chance we'll continue down. If not, we'll probably break the highs and push up. For this 1 hour to continue up. Let me think about this for a second. Four-hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 30-minute bearish. We're running into these rejections, these resistances. Price may not be able to push up. 930 coming in volume. If we break the lows, we should retest the support, which is 37 to 50 pips away. Stops would be potentially here 18 pips. Would probably need to use this, so it would be more like 45 pips. Yeah, I'm not 100% convinced here. Oh, Sam, did you get blown up in the Discord, bro?
What?
Oh, nah, I told everyone to message you and be like, yo, where you at? Where you at?
Yeah, no, I was supposed to be on here earlier, and then my brother needs a ride to fucking school. So I was like, as long as I'm home before 9:30, he's lucky. I got here 2 minutes before.
Hey, there you go.
Because I watched the unemployment news come out.
Oh yeah, the push
and
up.
then it went crazy, and
Yeah.
I was like, well, I'm not gonna get anything till then, at least.
Yeah. I'm not so convinced on this sell here. I know we closed below. The 1 hour is a little bullish, right? The 1 hour scares me here.
Yeah, and the
4 hour as well. Daily broke the highs, so I don't think I'm gonna have sell stops here. We did break the 15 high, which is not bad either to come down, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have sell stops here for 9:30. 1 hour is flipping bullish. There's a wick to fill. 42 pips. Stops 42. So it's like a 1-to-1. 4 hour as well. Yeah, I still think we're just in the range. Yeah, pretty much.
I was trading
just
London.
You did?
Yeah, I didn't get anything though, but everybody else did.
Yeah, no, I seen. I was looking at this push up here, but no bottom wick on this candle. That was like pre-New York though. London doesn't look like it did too much.
Nah, I wanted to sell gold, so
Yeah.
where was it? Right before it broke up out of there. Yeah,
Yep.
so that candle before it went up with no bottom wick, so I was waiting, but then it closed above, so I was waiting to see if you could maybe get a fake out on the next M30 to come down.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
Right? Yeah.
Yep.
But it never really happened, so I just went to bed.
Nice. Yeah, it popped out with a nice little bottom wick. I always like when it pops like that and then goes up to make a top wick. But yeah, that one pushed all the way up and closed above. Closed above.
Yeah, which one was that? I think it was the 3 a.m. candle, right at 3 a.m. and it closed above. Well, I closed above for the 3 a.m. candle.
Oh, you talking about this one?
Nah, 2 to the left. Or 3 to the left. There's like that bullish move that just drives up out of, yeah, right there.
Oh,
so
okay.
that one, I wanted that candle, yeah, right where you had your mouse.
Yep.
I wanted that next one to come back down and close in the range.
Yeah.
Because that one went up with no bottom wick right there, yeah.
Yep, this one. Yeah, it looked like sells almost played. I mean, you had this close, it was above though, and no bottom wick. You know people entered on this push. And then that stopped them out, I'm sure. Yeah, there was really nothing. Nothing with some edge on it.
But what? Someone traded. They got some. I think it was sells on GBP USD, and then
GU.
2 people had sells on GBP JPY too. Those ones actually went crazy, I think.
GJ, yeah, yep, probably right here. Oh, right here.
I think it was like right at 3 a.m. because I think I fell asleep by like 4.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, there's nothing else.
This is 2:30 and then 3 a.m. right here. Yeah,
that
was
next
nice.
candle. So that one closed below, and then the next one, you can see it nicely on the 15. So it was like 2 little bullish candles drove up. They weren't real big, didn't have much volume. Then the next one came down, closed bearish, and you see it just melted. I had mine drawn up a little higher than that.
Up here.
Yeah. So you see that 15, like those 2 little bullish candles, and then the next one just went, and it did like a nice, looked like a celery on the 15 and the 30.
Nice, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think that would have worked on the 30-minute too. If you had sells either below here or below here.
Yeah, that's where I had mine at.
This candle closed. Next one, top wick, drove down. Clean traffic to the left. Pretty nice.
Yeah, I think it went for like good 20 pips. Not bad.
Kind of looks like what happened over here yesterday. Right here.
Yeah, true.
Same thing. Man, this one, we freaking, like you said, dodged like we were in the Matrix, dude.
Yeah, dude, that was actually nuts. That was good though.
Yo, that was so well broken down too. Like, if anyone didn't see when we deleted our sell stops yesterday and why, go back to yesterday's stream. Check that out. There's a lot of knowledge there. There a lot of experience was spilled out there because we've seen that happen many times. It's not just about the candles, about the wicks. It's also you got to look at the time, right? Make sure you know what time it is on the charts, when candles are closing, when they're opening, what they do when they close, what they typically do when they open, and put all that stuff together. It's a game of putting everything together, is what trading is.
Yeah, like a big puzzle.
A big puzzle. A big puzzle, yep.
I put my camera on, but it fell underneath my desk, and I can't be asked to like get it up.
There will always be opportunity. Just wait and trade the plan. Yes. Words of wisdom. We cracked 700 subs here today, Sam.
Woo!
Yeah, we got 706.
Let's go.
Can we get 707? Can we get 707? Do I hear 707? Come once, come twice. 707. There's got to be someone here that hasn't subscribed.
There has to be.
I'm pouring out a blessing onto the next subscriber. If you make it 707, man, you're gonna have a great day. If you're not subscribed, then you know I need you for 707. You're gonna be thinking about this all day if you don't do it. Just do it. Just do it. You're gonna be blessed, trust me. You're gonna be blessed. Give me this $50,000. You're gonna be blessed. Trust me.
Let me check the Discord. I want to see if I got any messages.
I don't know. You may have not. I'm not sure.
I just want to see now that you said that.
Hey, and join our free Discord as well. Got a lot of friends, man. A lot of new people yesterday. Look at all these new people.
Oh yeah.
Or the day before yesterday. Oh, yesterday we
jumping.
Yesterday
in there.
Yeah, man, we got a lot yesterday too. Good
Discord
stuff.
jumping. That's either.
Yeah, this
Beautiful.
Discord is lit.
100%. Everyone's always on the same page.
Yeah, I like this. Everyone's talking the same language. I see you guys hunting pips in Asian and London every morning. I love to see that.
Yeah, what? I think I gave my little gold analysis in there last night.
Yeah, I seen that. Right.
Nah, I just remembered that. Yeah, I wanted to see.
Right here,
I wanted to see a breakout play below, but it never happened.
Yeah.
Just because we had that previous daily bearish.
Exactly.
Then,
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold's been a little freaky on the daily time frame.
Oh yeah. Dude, that move yesterday was nuts.
Oh yeah. I love this, what Austin put. Stop complaining. Yep. No point in complaining. Stay away from these 3 C's. Complaining, criticizing, and condemning. Stay away from them. No need for any of them. Stay grinding. Yeah, just stay grinding, man. Just don't quit. A winner never quits and a quitter never wins. Yeah, we got close to 300 people in the Discord. You're at 707. Oh, baby, 707. All right. Someone's been blessed. Someone's been blessed.
That's like a number that, like, when you hear it's like, what is that? 757.
Yeah, 707, 757.
What's the other one I'm thinking of? 797. I think that's how many horses are on a Hellcat.
777. Oh, really? 797 on the Hellcat?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, nice.
Let me fact check myself.
Appreciate you guys subbing to the channel.
How much horsepower does a Hellcat have? With a supercharged 6.2 liter Hemi SRT Hellcat V8 engine, offers up to 797 horsepower. Nice.
Wow. So look at this. 15-minute candle closed with no top wick on the last candle. We've come up, we've made a top wick on this candle, rejected pretty heavy. If we close below here, it's not, the celery play may be pretty good here. The stop loss is pretty steep, but we're gonna use that stop anyway. So let's see how this 15 closes here and may put some sell stops. Closed below, popped right away. Let's see what happens here.
Ooh, if it comes out and breaks the low.
No, if it breaks the low, man. The only thing I'm concerned is these higher time frames, but we have volume, and if we do break the low after closing below it, after grabbing liquidity for this 15-minute candle, then there is a high chance we continue down if we break that low. Give me the loot, give me the loot.
Give me the loot.
But I'll probably just wait for the hour to close up. This is tempting though. It's tempting. And it's in our plan. It's still in our plan. Right? If we took this celery, it's not going against our plan here. So.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm in it. If it happens, I'm in it.
Yeah. You know, if you have this rejection and this rejection, break of the lows, very high chance we continue down. Or we could wait for the hour, right? And watch how this 30-minute candle closes. Watch how the 1 hour closes. Because if this 30-minute candle closes below, then guess what the hour candle does? Closes below as well. So if the hour candle is closing below, and the 4-hour candle is breaking its own low, and the 30 minutes closing below as a celery play, and you basically have a double celery on the 15, then that's going to probably give us a higher chance of seeing success in this trade. So that's what I'm gonna do. If it drives before the hour, which is in 12 minutes, then it's whatever, it drives. But yeah, I think if we wait, we can stack some more confluence. We can break the 4-hour low. We can close below on the 1 hour. We can close below on the 30, being a 30-minute celery. Same with the 15. So, and if it drives before that, well, oh well. Oh well. What do you think about that, Sam? A little bit more confluence.
Yeah, I like that. I was actually gonna say, hey, rewind that again if you didn't hear it.
Yeah, that may be best in this situation here, because we don't know. This hour candle could flip. We just don't know.
Yeah, it could keep
right?
driving, but if it comes back down and closes below, then I mean it's solid. You got candles closing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can never go back and change them after they've closed.
Right. And especially if we continue respecting 30-minute highs, that'll be dope too. Not too worried about the break of this 4-hour high. I actually wanted to see that 4-hour high 15-minute high get broken. The puzzle, baby, the puzzle.
Everybody's sleeping, bro.
Oh, I haven't looked at the chat. Where y'all at? Y'all sleeping or what? Wake up, man. Wake up.
Yeah, I'll start at 4:20 early.
They're all getting their nowadays guys that sell bud, they got a schedule and everything. They got a schedule. They got, hey, shop's open from 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. today. Here's our 420 deals. Here's the new stuff. Like, what is this, half baked, bro?
Come shop. Mobile, hit me up.
Come shop. Pressure.
Yeah. Pressure on deck. Mobile, hit me up.
But don't hit me up after 8 p.m. Shops closed. Like what? When I was hustling, the shops were never closed, man.
No, that's what I'm saying. I've been telling people that. I'm like, yo, how? I mean, it's like.
What you mean 10:30, bro? 10:30.
Like,
you know everyone wants to wake and bake on 420, man. You better be open at 6:30.
Dude, the first question I got asked when I came into school was if I had weed on me for 420.
Hey, man.
Wait, are you in high school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, John. Go ahead and collect that dough, bro. Easy money today. Easy money. You know it's true, bro. Come on.
Easy.
Nah, that's a fact.
Bro, easy, bro. Because then you got even the people that don't regularly.
Yeah, they do it just
extra customer base. Extra customer base.
Yeah.
I remember we used to sell weed in high school, bro.
You get new
walk out
customers
with
today.
$1,500, bro. Easy money.
You get all the referrals too today.
Hell yeah. If you got it on you, bro, everybody coming to you.
I got that bag on me.
That's a fact.
That shit had me paranoid though in school.
Oh hell
Bro,
yeah.
we would go in 420, bro. Just deal it out real quick before the first 2 sessions, and we'll be out, bro. Be out. Sick, bro. I used to go into my buddy's class and talk to the teacher because like she was like my 1st and 2nd grade teacher. So I was like, Miss, I gotta go talk to my cousin real quick. My cousin would come out with his backpack, serve everybody up in lunch. I just go back in class.
What you need?
Bro, it's
What you
crazy.
looking for? Dime, dub? Quart?
Like,
Ounce?
They got the carts in there, so it's like
Yeah, the cartridges.
it's crazy. Like my brother would tell me about it. Like how many people be just having them in high school? I'm like, y'all really need all that?
Bro, and people like you can cash out on cartridges, bro. I got a buddy in Florida right now.
Oh,
He's selling them for 60 a piece and getting them for 25.
20.
Yeah, 100%.
Gonna have to watch Friday today.
Now you gotta watch Half Baked. And,
Half baked.
And what's the other one?
Cheech and Chong.
How High?
Up in
And
Smoke.
Cheech and Chong. Yeah.
Yo, Cheech and Chong, bro, was so
Legends.
funny, dude. The first time I ever seen that, when they remember the scene where they were in the car
Yeah,
and they were
like up
baking
in
it
smoke.
out, and he's like, man, I got a headache or whatever, and he gives them he's like, here, take this, and then he's like, you see them take it, and then all of a sudden he's like, hold on, whoa, don't take that
He
yet,
goes, don't take those, man.
He's like, what you mean? He's like, dude, that was the most amount of acid I've ever seen anyone take in one shot. Yeah.
He goes, what do you mean, man? I've never had no acid in my life, man.
What's your name, Ralph?
Yeah, Ralph.
Classic.
Yeah, that was so funny.
Classic.
I like how they're like, he's like, I think we're parked, man.
Yeah.
He's just outside the car and smashing the telephone pole.
That's one of the funniest things. Like, how am I driving, man?
Yeah, how's my driving, bro?
He's like, dude, I think we're parked.
That is a class, bro.
Classic.
Here we go. Where am I going to work today? Where's it at?
Today's Thursday. Oh man, it almost fell on a Friday. There you go.
It should have.
Oh, would you look at this, chat? Would you look at this? Just look at it. 1 hour candle. Ho ho ho.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Isn't it a beautiful thing? How we talk about these things and then they just start to
It's gorgeous.
unroll. So remember, if it drives, it drives. Some of you guys may have missed me say that. Or maybe you just said, I know he said that, but I don't want to hear that. It's about to break the low. It's about to break the low. Just wait. We got literally 6 minutes left. You waited all morning for a quality setup. Don't jump the gun now. My entry was at 2005. Very nice. What confluence was that? Was it this 5 or something? What was your confluence? What was your reason for taking it? Oh, would you look at this? What did we say about the 15 minute? Go run the stream back just a few minutes. Oh, you took a buy. I'm in a gold buy. Oh. With what confluence? What made you enter the trade? Antonio, 15-minute holding support. Gotcha. Antonio, I see you. We may have ourselves not a 15-minute celery, but a 30-minute celery and a 1 hour close below. Big maybe. We asked the question and the market says I will give you the answer in 4 minutes.
Ask and you shall receive.
Yeah.
Big vibes.
Can she wait? Yeah, she's gonna wait. She wants to wait for us. Maybe it will drop. Maybe it will go up. Maybe it will go down. In 4 minutes, we'll have a much clearer understanding. But if we close just like this, man, say goodbye. This thing's gonna drop. Say thank you, come again. Very, very good.
Yo, Jay, book FX Summit.
What's up?
Book the FX Summit.
Yeah, I gotta get that going too. I was gonna ask you guys. So what is the what's up?
Jay.
What's up?
Book it.
Book it. Oh yeah. Book it.
Did you guys Are you guys doing that ultimate experience VIP package for 5K?
Nah, I didn't.
No, hell no.
I'm not going that crazy. Maybe next year. I'm not going that crazy this
Next year we'll be speaking on the stage. So.
Yeah, next year we'll have our own booth there.
No, alright, for sure. Alright, yeah, because I was checking the prices. I was like, yo, I wonder what this elite package for 5K is.
The elite made the most sense to me.
Yeah, nah, of course.
Because you get everything, right?
Well, the elite's not 5K. The VIP ultimate, whatever.
No, the VIP ultimate is the 5K.
Nah, yeah, I did the elite. It was like 350, but I think now it's like 700.
Yeah.
Wait, 3,500 was the elite?
No, I got it for $350.
Oh, I was gonna say, holy fuck, dude,
Yeah,
what does that come with?
No.
That shit better come with a funded challenge already and shit.
Funded top tier challenge?
Seriously. It's 25K. 25. Damn, son.
Yeah, freaking Uncle Scalp got the early bird special. I gotta spend $750 on that.
Good call on that, bro. Good call on that.
Yeah, I got that a minute ago.
Yeah, you did. You got that a while ago. Chat, I see you. About to hit the sell button. Don't do it.
I wanted to go last year. And
You guys are all in Florida.
No.
No, I'm not in Florida.
I'm in New York.
I'm in Seattle.
I'm in Florida.
I'm kind of close to you, Sam.
Don't hit that sell button, dang it.
Wait, who is that talking? Is that John?
Oh, that's Uncle Scalp.
Oh, that's Scott.
He's in New York. No,
I don't know why I can't
Uncle
see
Scalp.
everyone's names.
Yeah, once you
Uncle
guys...
Scout. I said Uncle Scott.
Once you guys all have your cameras off, you guys disappear for...
Uncle Stat.
Disappear. News at 10. Euro news. USD existing home sales. Yeah, we got some little bit of news here.
I hope we get a bleeder.
I hope we get a little bit of a top wick.
Bleeder.
We got a bleeder.
We got a bleeder.
This 15-minute
blade.
This support, like that shit does not want to break. 1 minute left here. See how it closes.
Uno momento. Looking clean though. If we get this close.
Oh snap. 30-minute never broke the low either. Damn.
Never broke the low.
Book it.
Never broke the high.
Doji cross on 15 too.
All right, so there's some news. There's a bit of a high spread right now, so I'm gonna hold off. I got a 3-pip spread here, so let this news dwindle down. Hopefully we don't break the lows. Oh, Antonio. All right, so I'm going to have a sell stop. Spreads are going down. Sell stops are going to be at the break of the lows here.
Book it.
Book it, book it.
Come on, go, come up and make a bigger top flight, and then we drive it down. There we go.
Yeah, spreads are down. If we break the high, I'll delete it.
Here it comes. Does it break?
See what that 1 hour looks like. Alright, so I'm going to set some sell stops here at the break of these lows. Candle closed below on the 30, on the 30 minute here, on the 30 minute here. As long as we respect this 30 high, it should be good. We're making higher or high, or lower, low, lower high, lower low. So as long as we continue to do that, then this trade should be good. If we break the high, then, you know, it's whatever. Break the high or break the low.
here goes the 30-minute high. There it is.
And
Now coming up to the hour. With a break.
Will it break? Will it
4
break?
hours actually gonna flip.
4 hour looks good to go bullish, right? Let's see if we break that 30-minute high though. Alright, yeah. So forget about those. No bueno. Let's take a look at GJ. Nothing. 4 hours flipping bullish now.
It's crazy. Rivers and cells just got long dipped off the two 1-minute candles.
Oh yeah. Antonio, you still holding? It should wait for 1 hour close. I'm placing sell stops. News at 10. Good morning, Daniel. Morning. I'm in. That buy looking good. I deleted my sell stops. That's my 420 trade. Yes. Hey, let's go. Nice. Very nice. Going for $420. Yeah, there goes the 1 hour high too. Cool beans. Anything is possible. $70 watching with 707 on the board. Can we get 708? Can we get 708 subscribers here? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Yeah, I think us breaking the daily high was pretty important. Daily looking like a barcode here. Loving the patience and discipline. Have a great day. N420. Happy Earth Day. Is that what they call it now? Earth Day.
It is Earth Day.
So gold went up and GJ went down. GJ never closed though below the support yet. For those who are wondering, no, I'm not in this buy. No, I won't be in buys in this range at all. If we get a close above, I may consider it. I want all the other guys, I want all their money to push us through so we can get to this range up here. And then we got clean traffic. I need guys like Anthony's money to push me up.
Hey, I'm in there with Anthony, bro. That 15-minute, 5-minute support was money.
Tandy, where's Tandy?
Right here at 210.
Oh, okay, Jay.
Yeah, y'all can be the liquidity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you guys can go ahead and bring in the volume and keep pushing us up.
Yeah.
Here you go, baby. Go ahead and jump in now, boys. Come on. It's getting hot for you boys.
I'm perfectly good. Perfectly fine with that.
Come on. I need some volume coming in here.
Jay, you're in that?
Yeah, we need to break this.
I
Wait,
got
I'm
in
gonna
here
full
at
market
202.
here, boys. No,
I'm holding 202.
See, this was not good enough for me.
Boom, partials hit.
Anthony's money's pushing that up. Yo.
Yeah, good shit, Anthony. Good
All
work,
right, Nick,
bro.
and everybody else jump in. Buys, come on, come on. 226, let's run it. Come
Now
on.
that Anthony's in, I know we got a big move now pushing up.
Come on, guys, break it the way. Come on, jump in.
Anthony, did you hit your 420? He says he's holding it and letting it run.
If this thing pushes and breaks above the wicks, bro, 225 easily today.
Where's the target here? 234. Clean traffic, but probably look at this level here. What is that? 225, 226?
Come on.
Yeah.
Here it goes.
Anthony's the market mover. Facts. Anthony and Jay got these two big positions in.
No, there's somebody else in the chat that's got buys in at the support as well.
Anthony Fernandez does. Antonio.
Anthony. Wait, I got a number of somebody else in the chat.
Edward.
0.26 lot size. We're pushing. We're pushing.
Break this high right here. There we payday. It's a 420.
With the clean traffic. No, I don't see clean traffic until we're up here. Push it, push it, push it. 4 hour looks clean.
That thing rocketing, bro.
It's a rocket ship. It's a rocket ship.
It wasn't as
Well,
fast
that
as
was
it
news.
usually goes, but it was nice.
It was
Well,
also
when
news.
it first opened, it went crazy.
Yeah.
That was 10 a.m.
Yeah, right at 10 a.m. it went crazy.
We had
Me and my buddy.
existing home sales, natural gas storage. We had a lot here. Oh, there's more coming at 10:30.
I know, that's why I'm probably just gonna. Damn, this thing is like now breaking these lyrics right here. Come on, bitch. I'm at break even now, but my I was just scalping that top wick right there. But if we keep pushing, let it go. Let it go.
Hold it. Hold the line.
Hold on. I needed to hold above 210 so I can get Nick and the rest of the guys to jump in and keep on pushing.
Yeah, this is your concern at this point.
Oh, that's a nice 1-to-1. If you would have entered or something like that, I would have liked to enter at the previous break of the wick. Like 207. You got in 202, right?
Yes, sir. That's support on the 15 and 5.
Yeah, so you're like. That was
You could have done the 1 hour celery too.
What's your stop loss?
Stop was literally.
That's super
Too
tight. Or
No, not really. Just underneath the minor support above when it starts holding. So my stops was at 2K99. So literally right under
2K. Okay, guys.
Spreads were ridiculous though. How was that spread for you? On the entry?
I was in.
Oh, you were already
before
in.
The news came in. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you were saying it was funny because it's like when you were saying like, oh wait, that 15 minute is gonna give us the celery play. I'm like, motherfucker! Like if this shit breaks, I'm gonna have to manage this. I was talking to my buddy. He's like, no, I don't think it's gonna break. So we held the next one, and it closed 15-minute closed doji. So I was like, all right, this thing's gonna pop. I'm just gonna scalp the fuck out of this, and then I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, you could have had stops right here, nice and tight. Because you know if this area broke, then it was gonna go down. But if it held that, then look, next area. So stops probably could have been like just a couple pips. You say you got in at like 204 or 205?
Me? No,
Yeah.
202. 202.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, 202. How the hell did you get it? That's down here.
Yeah, dude, I was in before.
Oh.
Yeah,
202.
so like you see the 5 minute, you see how it's like kind of rangy like that?
5 minute, hold on. Right here?
Go ahead and see. Yep, you see how you have like the stops that says sells here?
Yeah.
No, I did not get on this candle. So you see how
Over
these
here.
candles right here on the bottom are forming?
Yep.
So I got in as it was coming down towards that support and then just risked the low right here at a 2K even
Oh,
onto
nice.
here. Yeah, so that was basically the trade. So my thought was, if it breaks that support zone on the 5 minute, just close it out for a small loss and just wait. That was my thought process.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Sniper. They don't call him Jay Sniper for no reason.
I don't take that name out just to have it. But it doesn't always work. So I'm telling you, that's why, you know, it's good to wait, because like sometimes, like Nick was saying, like it could not do what you want it to do, and then you got to manage it. So the risks, right? The risk we take.
Yeah, that was like my buy that I had. I had like a buy limit play that was like very similar to that on CPI, but it got stopped like 2 months before.
Oh, I think I remember you sharing that with us.
Yeah. Yeah, hey, if it's worth the risk for you, right, then and that's what your system calls for, bouncing, then
No. It's not trading the bounce. It's just understanding the range and then seeing candle closures for potential breakouts or breakdowns. You know what I mean?
break it down.
But yeah, I gotta go get some of these clients taken care of and get my 420 started early, fellas.
Okay.
So hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
You too, brother.
That money. I'll
Do
see
your
y'all boys
thing.
tomorrow. Have a happy 420, everybody. If you're smoking, you're smoking. If not, we'll see you tomorrow.
Later, brother.
Peace.
Have a good day.
You too, brother. Peace.
Alright, peace. WWW. Did you buy, Nick? No. Dang, I missed a trade. What trade? Could hit resistance and pull back, yep. Took the money and ran. Juicer. Almost closed.
Yeah, that was a juicer.
That was.
Who said that?
Austin said that. As humble as possible.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna be someone. I knew it was gonna be someone I knew. That's so. Juicer. Yeah.
Juicer.
See, but the thing is, we stick to our plan 80% of the time, and that's a salary.
Oh yeah, exactly. And remember what we talked about, right? We're not concerned with volume. We need volume, but we're more concerned with our setup than we are with the volume, right? We want to see the setup go with the volume, right? We don't want just volume, because volume can take us anywhere. So we want to see our setup if we're gonna have volume. And yeah, I guess you could say 1 hour seller here, but there was no way I was gonna do it. Number one, we had news. Number two, we had resistance, and resistance. So that's the main reason why I didn't take anything here in this range. Because if you look left, look what we have after that, right? We have nice clean range here. So I'd rather wait for that. And it was news. Spreads were ridiculous.
Juicer.
The juicer and the bleeder, baby. Nothing like hearing those words. Juicer.
I love saying it, bro.
Bleeder. That's a bleeder. That's a bleeder. GJ pulling back. Yeah, not too much excitement here today. A lot of small candles. We like to see them big boys. Yeah, depending on how we close here in a couple minutes, it's gonna determine the day for me here.
He took it because he had to push the market up.
Should have took a sell, bro, so we could have pushed the market down. Whose team are you on, man? Well, yeah, just ask yourself, if you're looking for buys, where's the cleanest traffic that you see on the chart right now?
Alright guys, I'm gonna head off.
Alright, broski.
Catch you guys tomorrow, alright?
See you mañana.
Have a good day, guys. See you later.
Alright, brother. Later.
Peace.
Very choppy. Very choppy. That cuts out the whole range. Doom. My stops at BE took profit at 2010 and the touch of resistance. Very, very good job, Antonio. Amazing work. Just amazing. That's the goal, to get above, yeah. We want Anthony's money to push us in. Push us in this sweet spot here. Anthony, enter another buy position. Move the market, man. We're gonna need some substitute for Tanny's walking his dog, so. Hey bro, what do we have? Some people unsubscribed? Come on, man. It's 420, not opposite day.
Someone unsubscribe, bro?
Wow, the Three Musketeers dipped out of here.
Whoa! I'm about to find their asses.
You guys know I have an email for everyone who subscribes, right?
Man.
Just kidding, just kidding. It's okay. It's okay.
Nah, not for me.
Sam might come find you both.
I'm gonna come climbing through their windows, snatching the people up.
Imagine.
Hide kids, hide your wife.
Oh, I think a lot of people took buys just because Raja took buys. See, Raja took some buys, some impulse buys during news, which he loves to do. Very nice, very nice. That's who I used to be. No more news for me. I committed to that for y'all, man. To be an example. $20.36 next target, yeah, 20.36 up here, yep. We'll see what happens.
I don't really like
here.
trading news either. I really don't. Unless I'm in before it, or waiting for a move after it.
Yep. Yep. And surprisingly, I've actually done a lot. I've done really well during news, but
yeah,
it's not really too good long term. I'm off. Have about to get through 1621 my end. All right, Marvin. We'll see you later, man. Have a great day. We'll see you mañana. Who's partaking in 420 festivities? Hey yo. About to get lit.
I have to go to the gym first.
If you don't go to the gym, you'll be lifting blunts.
Yeah, lifting fucking peas.
I'm only lifting pound dumbbells now.
Makes a good pre-workout. See, this is the thing. I honestly really like it. Like, I like being like having a little buzz in a gym because I feel like I get a really nice mind-muscle connection. Yes, he just said it.
100%.
At the same time I type it in there. Yo,
I don't think I've ever been to the gym without that.
See, I don't know. I just get a little paranoid, like being around a whole bunch of people.
I don't think I've ever came to the charts without that.
I feel like it doesn't really help, or it's just like whatever for me.
It's for some reason it locks me in, like focus wise.
Yeah, I mean I understand. Nah, I mean just like going in there to lift. Like if I'm just going in there hit like back and by.
Yeah.
Or something. Yeah.
Yep.
I don't do no CrossFit. Nah, I ran track. And dude, I played paintball the other day. That was the most running I've done since.
Oh yeah, I seen you were paintballing.
Yeah, that shit was crazy. That was the first time I've ever played, bro. That's probably like the closest thing you can get to shooting someone in real life, because like how much it hurts in that.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy. I was slamming though. Dude, they had like literal maps. Like Vietnam was the one.
That's sick.
Like domination on there.
I love that. Yeah, I love that. I love paintballing, man.
Crazy.
Haven't done it in a while.
You're doing bodybuilding, slow, controlled movements. It's amazing. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, just feeling like my favorite thing to hit in the gym is triceps, and I don't know why. But like with the cable pull downs.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Just feeling that extend, and I don't know. But ran cross country in high school, swore off running. Dude, I'm telling you, I remember I was like, it was like finals, states, school record. I was like, I'm done. No more, bro. I was like, no more running. I did enough. I've done more running in my lifetime than someone will probably do in their entire lifetime.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I mean, like, well, dude, we practiced like crazy. And I ran all year round for track. Well, pretty much. Like, summer, not so much. In the fall, like, not like I would just like jog. But then winter, like I had indoor track, and then the whole ways into spring. So it would be like from November, the whole ways into like to the end of May. I think it's Memorial Day weekend. Sheesh. So I don't know, like 6 months lifting and hard sprints every single day. I'll never forget all the 500 meters. It is like we run 400 meters, which is like a whole lap on the track. Have to come in at like I don't know, dude. Some days I think the hardest one I ever did was 53 or 54 seconds, 400 meter into and then you had to finish out hard with 15 seconds for 100 meters. Oh my god.
Yeah, my wife ran track. That's a lot of work right there.
Yeah, and then I hurdled too.
Damn, yeah, man, that's dope.
I was gonna post a video.
I wouldn't want to be getting chased by a bear with you.
You let me go through the minefield first, because I didn't know about that.
If you're gonna walk through a minefield, follow someone. They always used to say that, man. I ran cross country in high school and swore off running. Best workout, weightlifting, and do 5-6. Yeah, Anthony Fernandez is really good at boxing. Dude's like a pro.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah. Been good.
Yeah, let me read the chat.
Middle school, high school.
5 to 6 rounds hard on a punching bag. I actually have one.
He's dirty.
I think I need a I don't know, dude. It needs more water on the bottom of it, I think.
Yo, yeah, Anthony
it bounces around way too much.
He is he's nasty, bro, with boxing.
Yeah, he probably fucked me up.
Yeah, he probably fucked me up.
I don't box. I'd love to though. I would definitely box. I would box 100% over wrestling. There's a lot of good people, really, really good wrestlers from where I live. I think we actually have #1 in the whole country of wrestlers that end up in the States.
Yeah, Pennsylvania has a lot of good wrestling. A lot of good
They
wrestling.
end up going to, like, we had so many people that end up going to D1.
How far are you from Lancaster?
Like a couple hours. No,
Okay.
like, probably, I don't know. Let me look.
What was that one dude? Dan Nables or something? Gables? The wrestler? I forget his name.
I think so. Yeah. Didn't he wrestle against, like, Larry Owens?
I forget, but I know he was like one of the standout wrestlers. Enjoyable rather than the treadmill. Yeah, this is true, Austin, but you have to get out of shape. Get your out of shape ass through the initial pain before the high. Yeah. I love the pain, baby. Yep. Seek discomfort as much as you can. I'm light though. I could get grabbed up. Yeah, that's pretty true. But good thing I wrestled in high school. Yeah, so you got that down too. Remember Coach Lent? Yeah, hell yeah. What was the saying you said earlier in the stream about actions over words again? What you do speaks so loudly that what you say I can't hear. What you do speaks so loudly that what you say I can't hear. Right? Enough talk, enough chit chat.
Yeah, Lancaster's like 3.5 hours from me. It is actually kind of far.
Yeah.
Like out by like between Harrisburg and Philly.
Philly. Yeah, I've been up there a few times. It's like Amishville up there. A lot of Amish people. Now I need to go for a run.
Oh yeah, it is. I remember driving through there, bro. That's crazy. I think I have videos.
Horse and buggies.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah,
They're
like
all dressed in their suits.
Yeah, like you go there today, there's gonna be horse and buggies.
Let me see.
Yeah, nothing here on GJ either. Oh, the boys in the chat are about to get after it after the stream here. I'm looking forward to hearing y'all talk about the run. You run, me bun. All right, so yeah, nothing here. Probably looking like a no trade day. GJ closed above, gold closed below. Yeah, not really interested in anything here. You got more news here on gold as well.
Yeah, we drove by him and my one friend screams out the window at one Papa Tootie.
I think I'm gonna get some coffee and smoke instead of that run, yeah. Because I got high. I was gonna go for a run, but then I got high. Yeah, Chad, that's gonna do it here for me today. No trades, and stuck to our plan, right? What was our plan? Well, we were staying out of this range unless we got a closure below here at 930. If we broke the lows, we would take the sell. Other than that, this was our no trade range here today, and that's basically where price stayed in the majority of the whole session here. So nothing we could do, right? Besides come back tomorrow, save our bullets like Scott said, and yeah, enjoy your 420. Same plan tomorrow. Yep. So if you guys are feeling FOMO about not catching this, man, just understand, like, there was news, right? There was news right here. So you had a 5 pip spread. No point in taking that. You had a ton of crappy traffic here to the left. So it would have been pretty stupid. I mean, according to our system, right? It would have been not the smartest move to take a buy here. Nasty traffic, clean traffic, right? So if it was your plan to take that buy, then that was smart. But according to our plan and our strategy, nothing here today. Thank you, Nick. W stream as always, back again tomorrow. No trade day isn't a bad day, and isn't a bad thing. It's best to wait. Yep. Yeah, not every day is gonna be a trade day, right? And that's how you know you're getting good, and that's how you know you're getting selective, and you're sticking to the plan. So, nothing.
Way to be patient and disciplined, chat.
Yes, sir. John's still here with us.
And boys.
So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace and love. Enjoy the day. Thanks for stopping by. Give us a sub if you haven't subscribed to the channel on the way out. Like the stream on the way out, and enjoy some music with us here. I'll see y'all, man. Have a great day, all right? Deuces, deuces, deuces.
Yep, peace.
Peace.
When night has fallen